from here you are going to at least go through how to migrate from local host to live server. I think that would be the best option, because if you develop on your PC, then you should know how to at least move your files and everything from local host to live server and some other things. So I will continue from where I stopped. Or if you want me to at least go through it just in a very fast way, please let me know. Okay. So last week I explained how to at least install XAMPP, how to run WordPress on your PC as in a nutshell. So, and we demonstrated how to customize using Elementor and some other plugins as add-on to Elementor. So today, okay, before today's talk, let me quickly explain that. Sorry, I'm so much in hurry because I want to cover a lot of stuff today. So let me quickly go back to my browser and launch the WordPress website that I worked on last week. So, okay, this is not the website. Like I said last week, you are going to at least need a software for you to run WordPress on your local PC, which is either WAMP or XAMPP. Let me quickly show the notepad that at least I typed something here last week. Okay, here is it. Just brief summary. Let me share my screen. I'm here to share my screen.
Okay, last week we talked about this. Can you see my screen?
Can you see my screen?
I've shared the screen. Hello, can you see my screen at the other hand?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So, these are the things that you need to install, and let me just say the steps. You need to download and install XAMPP or WAMP, and I'm using XAMPP presently. On 64-bit system, it is advisable for you to at least download XAMPP, or you call it XAMPP. Or if you are using all this older version of PC, you can, which is 32-bit and let me just say very old PC, it is good to at least use WAMP. You can use XAMPP on it as well, depends on your operating system. So, you need to download the WordPress, you need to at least open XAMPP or WAMP control panel, and then you start your Apache and MySQL servers on the control panel. Go to localhost /phpMyAdmin and create a database. I demonstrated all these steps, so I don't need to waste time here. I will share this video later, and the one I did last week, I lost the recording. I'm so sorry about that, but I will at least record another one and put it on YouTube. So here's the YouTube channel that you can follow. So I created this channel just for this program, but as time goes on, at least we teach ourselves a lot of stuff accordingly. Let me just, with time, because presently I'm somehow occupied, but at least out of it I'll create time to at least record some stuff, so that at least we can both grow together, not just one-sided. Let me put it that way. So go through these steps, then from there you at least start your customization after installing the WordPress. So let me go back to the website now. Localhost, sorry, /am corner. Since I named the website AM corner. So I explained how to at least install theme, how to customize. So the last thing I was doing that very day happened to be, I was working on the page, right? So if I at least, let me go back to my pages and start from there. I believe I've explained in a very short form how to at least go through all these steps, because we have limited time today as well, and I want to cover a lot of stuff. So these are the pages, and you can customize each one with Elementor, because I installed Elementor, and uh, I use it a lot to customize my page, even to at least develop a full functional e-commerce website, not just one, but many. So you can, at least with this, you can control your page how you want it to be. So now let me go back. Okay, last week I was saying something, I remember, that you can change your post page from that blog page to another page. All you just need to do is you just need to go and select the page, and select it as the post page. Here in the settings, from the other hand, I don't know, maybe you have any questions so far, but later at least I will go through it. But I want to at least be attending to question one by one as time goes on, so that I won't wait till end of the program, because at times I may not want to go back to the initial stage. Is there anybody? Okay, let us go back to the business. Now let me just show you how to at least do something with Elementor again. And here now I click edit with Elementor. I believe you can see it. So this will load. It's loading already. Sorry, seems my internet is somehow this morning, but I think the load is somehow too much for the. Okay. Now, okay, I worked on this last week, and I changed this background picture, maybe, and the text. So from here now, you can at least, okay, and I introduced this slider of a thing. So with this, and lastly, okay, I installed a plugin as well, which is add-on to Elementor, to at least use some functions for free. On a normal day, to at least have all the functions of Elementor, you need to pay, and which is expensive. You know, converting naira to dollar presently, we are even paying $50. You know, it's huge amount of money in Nigeria. So I teach you how to at least. I explain this, and the plugin is Elements Kit or something like that. You can see it here, and from here you can at least use all these stuffs for free. You can see this one, blog post. So with this now, let me create a page, another page, and I want to at least in a very short form create a page, then edit with Elementor, so that you can at least see how to at least arrange the layout perfectly. In a very short form, I will still record video, at least comprehensive video on this. I'm sorry, I've been so busy. At least. So let me go back to my page. We introduced all this last week, and I think at least you just need to at least be going through all these things one by one for you to at least grab. I don't like spoon feeding people. At least you need to at least on your own sit down and do some things. I don't know how to teach people that, okay, when you do this, you do this. I teach people so that you demonstrate and do it on your own. I believe in what's it called, practical, not just theory. So let us create a new page. Now we are going to add a page. Add new. Okay, now we are going to give it title. Let me call it new blogs. This is the title. You know, this is a blank page now. Let me click on publish. We are going to publish this. Please. Thank you. Now we need to edit with Elementor. Please pay attention, because I don't want to at least waste time here, because we have under these 2 hours we want to cover them. So we click on edit with Elementor. This is loading. Now, fine.
Now, fine.
We have this
We have this
page,
page,
and by
and by
default,
default,
let me just say Elementor or
Elementor
WordPress
or
will
WordPress will
introduce the
introduce the
menu to
menu
you.
to you.
Since
Since
I
I
explained a
explained
bit
a
about
bit
menu
about
last
menu
week,
last week,
I don't know,
I don't know,
maybe
maybe
or not,
or not,
or
or
maybe I
maybe I
wanted to
wanted to
and I did
and I
not
did
do it,
not do it,
or
or
maybe I
maybe I
explained.
explained.
I couldn't at
I couldn't
least
at least
get that
get
one.
that one.
So
So
to work
to
on
work
this
on this
page, we
page,
need
we
to
need to
introduce all these
introduce
our
all these
layouts
our
one by
layouts
one,
one
which
by
is
one, which is
containers. We have
containers. We have
on a
on a
website we have a
website we
lot
have
of
a lot of
containers.
containers.
I don't
I don't
have
have
I have
I
board
have
here
board
now.
here
Okay,
now.
I
Okay,
have
I
board
have
there,
board
but
there, but
other people
other
from the
people
other
from
hand
the
will not
other
be
end
able
will
to
not be
see
able
it.
to
But I
see
will
it. But
use
I will
this
use this
practical
practical
stuff.
stuff.
I mean, this
I mean, this
Elementor
Elementor
layouts and co
layout
like
and
that
co
to
like
at
that
least
to at least
carry out something.
carry out something.
First thing you need
First
to
thing you need to
introduce a
introduce
container.
a
You can see
container. You can
add a
say add a
new
new
container.
container.
You click
You click
here,
here,
then
then
you
you
pick your
pick your
structure,
structure,
either two
either two
columns,
columns,
three
three
columns.
columns.
You can see
You can
here,
see here,
and
and
the flow of the
of
columns.
the
Maybe you
columns.
want it
Maybe
to
you
be
want
at
it to
least
be
vertical or
vertical or
horizontal.
horizontal.
And if it
And
is
if
two
it is two
columns,
columns,
you see
you
some
see some
website with
website with
you have
you have
maybe
maybe
sidebar here.
sidebar
You
here.
have the
You
main
have the main
content at the
content at the
middle, and you
middle,
have
and you
another
have another
sidebar.
sidebar.
They are
They are
like
like
Facebook now.
Facebook
We
now.
have
We have
sidebar
sidebar.
this side.
This side,
We have the
we
main
have the main
content
content
that you can
that you can
scroll
scroll
the other
the
side,
other side,
and
and
this other
this
side
other
as
side
well,
as well,
another
another
sidebar for
sidebar
one
for
thing or
one
the
thing or
other.
the other.
So you can
So you
have
can
something
have
like
something
that
like that
using
using
this.
this.
You can see
You
this
can see
now
this now.
if you want
If you want
that kind of
that kind of
arrangement.
arrangement,
And if you
and
want
if you
something
want
like a
something like a
box,
box,
I mean, let me
I
just say
mean, let me just say
boxes. You see
boxes.
this
You
one
see
now.
this one now.
We have
We have
two
two
rows
rows
and
and
four
four
columns,
columns,
which is
which
a
is
row
a
with
row with
two
two
columns.
columns.
So now
So
I
now
will pick
we
this,
pick
which
this,
is
which is
this
this
just
just
a
a
single
single
uh,
uh,
box.
box.
Now we
Now
have
we
this
have this
box
box
here, and
here,
the next
and the
thing we are
next
going
thing we
to
are
do
going to
is
do is
we are going
we
to
are
at
going
least
to at least
introduce
introduce
something
something
into this
into
very
this
place.
very place.
If you click on
If
this
you click on this
plus here,
plus here,
you'll be able
you'll
to
be
at
able
least
to at
add
least
one thing
add
or the
one thing
other.
or the other.
You want to ask
You want to ask
something, sir? Questions, sir?
questions?
Okay. So
So
let me
let
introduce
me
heading,
introduce heading,
which is
which is
I will
I
pick
will
this
pick
and
this
drop it
and drop
here.
it here.
Okay.
Okay.
These
These
are
are
the
the
blog
blog
posts.
posts.
You can put
You can
anything
put
you like,
anything you like,
and
and
you see your
you see your
alignment here. You
alignment here.
can
You
do all
can
this
do all
just
this
if
just
you
if
are
you are
familiar with
familiar with
Microsoft
Microsoft
Word or
Word
something
or
like that,
something
all
like
this
that, all
word processing
this
stuff.
word processing stuff.
At least you know
At
all
least you
these
know all these
alignment,
alignment,
center, this,
center,
and
this, and
everything like that.
everything like that.
So
So
you
you
just pick
just pick
your,
your,
if you want
if
it
you
to be
want it
at
to be
the
at the
right or the
right or
left
the
or the
left or the
center or
center or
anything you call
anything you
it.
call it.
So
So
you need to
you need to
highlight
highlight
just as
just
if you are
as if you
working
are
on
working on
Microsoft Word.
Microsoft Word.
Then you
Then you
click here.
click here.
Now I change
Now
it
I
to
change it to
center.
center.
Are you
Are
getting
you
it
getting
now?
it now?
This is
This
not
is not
magic.
magic.
If you don't
If
get
you
it,
don't get it,
let me know.
let me
This is
know.
not
This is
magic.
not magic.
So,
So
and
and
next thing we
next thing
can
we
at
can
least
at least
introduce something
introduce
else.
something else.
Maybe we are
Maybe we
okay
are
with this
okay with
one.
this one.
Then the next
Then the
thing
next
is
thing is
we
we
introduce
introduce
another thing.
another
Just
thing. Just
come here
come
and
here
click on
and
this
click on this
dot.
dot.
Then you'll be
Then
able
you'll
to
be
pick
able to
something
pick
else.
something else.
Maybe you want
Maybe
to
you want to
introduce
introduce
image. I
image.
just
I
want this
just
one
want
to
this one
be
to be
rough
rough
sketch.
sketch.
You know,
You know,
I said
I
earlier
said
that I
earlier
will
that
not
I will not
develop
develop
maybe
maybe
something and
something
you
and
see it
you
as
see it
copy
as
or
copy or
prototype or something
prototype or
like that.
something
I
like
will
that.
just give
I'll
you
just
the
give you the
ideas, then
ideas.
you at
Then
least
you at least
join everything together
join everything together
at your hand.
at your
That's the
end.
best way to
That's the
teach.
best way to teach.
So I can teach you
So
in
I
a
can
way
teach
that you
you
can
in
at
a
least
way
build
that
a
you can
page,
at least
but
build a page. But
if I'm
if
not there
I'm not
and you
there
want to do
and you
something
want
in
to do
another
something in
direction, not
another direction,
my
not
own kind of
my own kind of
design
design
style,
style,
at least
at least
it will be
it
so
will be
hard
so hard
to at least
to at
go
least
through
go
it.
through it.
I know what
I
I'm
know
saying
what I'm
because
saying
all these
because
things
all these things
I taught
I
myself.
taught myself.
This
This
elemental of a
element
thing.
of
So
So
now let us
now let us
introduce something.
introduce something.
Maybe we pick
Maybe we
image
pick
here now.
image
We
here
want
now.
to
We
drop
want to
at the
drop at the
bottom of this
bottom of
one.
this
You
one.
drop
You
it here.
drop it here.
Next thing is
Next
you
thing is
click on
you
this
click on this
pen
pen
icon.
icon.
Then you'll be able to pick your
your
image.
image.
Come here.
Come here.
Then you
Then you
choose
choose
an
an
image that
image
you at
that
least you
you
want to
want to
use.
use.
Let me
Let
pick
me pick
this.
this.
And
And
the next
the
thing
next
is
thing
we
is
can
we
at
can
least
at least
resize
resize
this
this
image, I
image.
think. And you can see you can set the alignment as well. What's going on? Seems here.
Recording in progress.
So you can see we have this image. But mind you, if you want to at least use this image as background, there is difference between using an image as background or just using the image in your website. The way I at least did this one, you can put text on top of this very image. So if you want to at least use it as background, we need to at least come back to this place. We need to delete this. If and only if you want to delete, let me delete. And now let me come back to this my container. Here, let me click on these dots. Now you can see here, I'm working on the container directly, not this text stuff. Then we can come to this style. Maybe the network. The network. Sorry. How are we going to do about that? My network here is stable, I think. But here.
Recording in progress.
So now if you click on this styles here and you can see your background type, one, you can choose classic. Under this classic, at least you'll be able to. Yeah, I have mine. It's working. You can see you can pick color if you want. If you want to use a background color, you can choose color here. Let us do that. Maybe we want to use this. I just want you to see. You can see we have this now. This text. Oh, sorry. Let me wait a bit. What is going on? The network is. Let me stop and share again. Yeah, can you see it now? So now I pick this color which is red. And everything that we introduce here now, you see, it will maintain that background of that red. That is, I apply this background to this container, not the heading alone. Let me pick something and drop so that you will see it. Maybe text. You can see. Sorry. Can you see the? Okay, you can see it now. So that is how to at least apply background. And if we want to change the background to maybe a picture or an image, you come back to this place as well. You click on these dots. Then you come to your style. Instead of color here, you click on this plus. Okay, you can see it right. You click on this plus, that is to add an image. Let me use something else. Maybe we are okay. Let us use this. Instead of the red stuff, now it has changed. Mind you, you need to change your text color. If you are using a background, you need to at least look for a text color that at least will show on that very image. You can't set your background to be black and use text color black. Nobody will see anything. So we need to at least do this now. Let me change this to white. This is my text color here. Then I come to style, then pick a color. If we are in normal HTML class and CSS now, at least we have color codes. Instead of dragging, you can drag till you have your text, but if you have your desired color code, you can simply put it here. You can see this box here, then you clear everything here. Sorry, why? This thing is not going on. What's going on? Sorry. And you can, the next thing is you can set your transparency level here. If you want your color to be at least be a bit blend to the background, maybe you want something to at least show up a bit through your text. Though your text need to at least be catchy, that is, people need to see your text. But there are some areas that you need to at least blend some things together to make it look so fancy. Like all this Apple stuff now, if you go to their background, to their website, though the arrangement is so simple, but the way they arrange it, something is so unique. If you look at it, you see a lot of transparent stuff there. We can at least achieve that here. You can see this text now. Can you see it? I use the white, then I set the transparency level. You can see it here. See this browser. The more you drag it to this side. Now we don't have any transparency stuff here. You can see the text is purely white. But if you drag it back a bit, now to see all this value here, you can see this. In my video later, I will talk about all this thing. I will create all this recording on HTML, CSS, and you see all these little stuffs here. And HTML, we use hexadecimal, which is from 0 to 9, then from A to F for color codes as well, and then we use this RGB value from 0 to 255, which is this one. You can see it here. So you need to at least know all these little things. Now this one stands for red, the other one stands for green, and the last one stands for blue. Then this A here, that is alpha for your transparency stuff. And that one is from 0 to 1. 1 is the maximum value, then the 0 is the least value. Then from 0 point something to 1, that is the range. So let me at least leave this side because we don't have much time. So let me, now you have seen how to set your color. Then you come to this place as well. You set the color. You come to your style. You can always do this under style. Then you pick the color. So we have this here now. Always remember to at least update. Click on update here so that at least you can see it. So later we are going to see the output. Now the next thing is, I was explaining something that last week, that you can choose any page for your blog post, that is, you can at least arrange any page and make it your blog listing page. So now we are going to at least introduce something here. Let me introduce another container, which is this. I want to add something like this, or something like, let me just pick one. Now I want to add another thing to this fairy box. I click on this plus sign here. Then I will scroll down now, or you can search for something like blog here. I installed another plugin last week. You can see this blog post. This one here. Sorry, this is showing another thing entirely. What is going on? Okay, yeah. The something is slow. I don't know what is going on. Huh? Maybe this network is slow because because this one is not showing any sign of stuff here. So here now you can pick this blog post, then you drop it here. Now you can see all our blog posts here. We have how many? 1, 2. Okay. Now we can customize how we want it to be. Maybe you want it to be like two columns in a row, or you understand all this row and column stuff now. You know exactly. So I don't need to at least go back to that one. You know our row like this. Then our columns, we cut it off like this. So let us come to this place. You see layout style. We have block. We have grid with thumb, and we have grid without thumb. Now let us try it one by one. If we pick grid with thumb, it will change. Please give it a minute. You are going to see something there. What is going on? You need to connect to another network. Sorry.
Recording in progress.
Please, can you see my screen from the other hand? I'm using my own personal stuff. The network here is not strong. I understand you, but we need to consider the people at the other hand. So can you see my screen, please, from the other hand? Hello? Okay? Now we can see this grid arrangement. And to me, this is okay. But next thing you are going to do is all this text here. You need to at least cut it off. It's too long. Okay, let me do it again. Let me delete this and start all over again. So now let me delete this box. My screen is shared. Okay, I should stop and share again. Can you see my screen now? No response from the other hand. What's going on? Okay. So this is grid arrangement. I even want it to be like grid without thumb. Then let us see. When you click here now, you can see no image, just title and text. So this is not okay because people in blog, people need something like cover image. Even if you don't have that image on your blog post, you put something there so that people will see. Can you connect to my network? Yeah. Let me do that so that at least to save time from here. Let me
Recording in progress.
checking what is the small it out. Checking what it is. Mobile I can stop screen share. Then we'll password here. Sorry, please, a minute, please. 1, 2. I'm not so sure. For sure, password connection. Where you can set a number of connections. Hello, please, a minute, please. This should be. Where is it going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think. Yeah, let's try. No, small letter. Hello?
Hello?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Can you see my screen now? So the best way is
Um,
from the other end. Can
from
you
the
see
other
it,
end, can you
please?
see it,
Let
please?
me know if you
Let
can
me
see
know
my
if you can
screen.
see my screen. Yes, we can.
Okay.
Okay.
There's still a bit
There's
delay.
still a bit
So
delay.
here now, the best
So
way is
here
to at
now, the
least
best
have
way is to at
something
least
like
have
cover
something like
image
cover image
on your blog listing
on your
page.
blog
You need to at
listing
least have
page. You
something
need
like
to
a
at least have
picture,
something like a
then
picture,
followed by
then
the
followed by
title of that very
the
post,
title of that very
then
post,
a little bit
then
of
a
text
little bit of text
from the
from the
blog post.
blog post.
Now,
Now,
show post per row, you can
show
see it
post
here.
per row, you
You
can
can
see it
set
here.
it. If you
You
want
can
it to
set
be
it.
4,
If
if
you
you want
want
it
it
to
to
be
be
2,
4, you
and if you
want it
want
to
it
be
to be
2,
6,
and you want it to be 6,
and if you want it to be 3, and if you want it to be just 1.
and if you want it
But
to
the best
be
method is
just,
at least you need,
but the best
like
method is
I do set 3
is
blog
I
posts per
set
page.
3
I'm so used to that.
blog posts per page.
So now
I'm
this
so
is the
used to
best
that.
something here for me.
So,
But
and this
you
is
know,
the
we have
best
individual choices. You
here
can
for
decide
me.
to at least
We
make
have
it 1 by 1. I mean 1
individual
1.
choices. You can decide to at least make it 1 by 1. I mean 1
So
1.
can we proceed, please? Or you have something to at
Can
least
we
ask me?
proceed, please? Or you have something to at least ask me?
Now, if you set it to 2, or just let me come
Now,
back to
if
this
you
one, pick this one, and then you see this crop
and then you
title by
see
word.
this crop
You can see it.
title by word.
And here,
You can see it. And
you
here,
can see show content.
you can see
If
show
you want
content. If you
content
want
to show, which
content
is
to
this
show,
text.
which is this text.
And if you want,
And if you want,
best way
best
is
ways,
you show a
you
bit
show
of the
a bit of
content,
the
maybe
content,
just
maybe just
a paragraph.
a paragraph.
Then the rest,
Then the rest,
they need to click on this very post
you
to
need
read
to
the
click on this very post
rest of
to
the
read
article. Let me put it that way.
the rest of the article.
So
Let me put it that way.
now let us crop.
Now let
You
us
don't need to
crop.
crop your
You don't
title
need to crop your title
because people need
because
to
people
know
need
what
to
they
know
want
what
to
they
read.
want to read.
Now the
Now
next
the
thing
next
is
thing
you
is
crop
you
this
crop this
word
word
just by,
just by,
let me just
let me
say
just say
10 or
10 or
20.
20.
You can see
You
it.
can see it.
It has
It has
reduced the
reduced the
stuff.
stuff.
Okay, you
Okay,
see it
you see
now.
it now.
I believe you
I
are
believe you are
following how
following
I'm
how I'm
setting all these
setting all these
things.
things.
To where, sir?
To where, sir?
Okay, now
Okay, now
let
let
me
me
come back to
come back
this
to this
how to at
how
least
to at least
display
display
your
your
articles on the
articles on the
page,
page,
on any
on
page
any
you
page
want
you
at
want
all,
at all.
not just
Not
maybe
just
the
maybe
original something
original
that
something
comes with
that comes with
WordPress. You can
WordPress. You
change
can
the
change
something, the
something, the
layout
layout
entirely and
entirely and
everything.
everything.
So
So
let me
let
delete
me delete
this,
this,
please.
please.
Please, from the
Please,
other
from the
hand, I
other
just
hand,
want
I
to
just
do
want
it
to do
again so
it
that
again so
people will
that
see
people will
it.
see it.
Now, the
Now,
next
the
thing
next
is,
thing is
let me
let
add
me
a
add a
container.
container.
Let me just
Let me
pick
just
this
pick
one.
this one.
Then the
Then
next
the
step
next
is
step is
I need to add the blog post. Mind you, that one doesn't come with Elementor. It comes with Element Kit, the other plugin that I installed last week as add-on to Elementor. Now let me just come to blog. Let me search for blog here. Then you can see it. I click on the blog post. I believe you are following.
Yes.
Now, by default, it will come this way, which is a single post per row. Let me put it that way. A row for a post. But you can change everything. But if you like it this way, leave it. But if you want to at least display like 6 or 7, like 9 articles per page, then you can set your article stuff. Now we need to change this to see other features. Like you can come to this place, grid width. So you know your grid something now in your Excel. You know we have all these rows and columns just in the simple way. So you can see it here now. And the next thing to set is you reduce this text here. You reduce this because you are showing all your article on the article listing page here, which is not good because people need to at least click and see the whole article. Let me just say that page. To read here is not convenient. So we need to at least reduce this. And maybe you have adverts running on your website. You had advertisement to all these articles, stuff like that. Then if people doesn't click on this, maybe you just show all this article on this page, they won't be able to at least see the advert on the article listing. The main article page. I don't know, maybe you understand all these things that I'm saying now. So we need to reduce this text. Here, you can crop the title, but I don't crop my title because I would like people to see what they are about to read. Some people, they are selective in, like me now, I don't just read any article that I just look at the title. And this one is not good, I'll just ignore it. So that is why you need to at least look for good titles always. Look for something that will attract people to at least your article. Maybe even the content is shallow. Let me put it that way. When you have a very good title, in Nigeria we believe so much in branding. Maybe even the store doesn't have anything inside. But if you see the branding outside, many people will be at least. I entered one store like that last week, and when I entered, all the stuff that I saw there, very little. But if you see the branding outside, you'll be like, wow, this is something. So in terms of blog something or maybe online store as well, you need to have something reasonable that will at least attract people to your website. So back to business, we need to crop this word. Maybe I just want to have 20 words or more than. Oh, sorry, this is title. Let me come back to this content. Crop content by word. That is, you can come to this place, you pick 20 words. Then you can see show read more. Only if you want to show it. You can see disable it here. You can see show read more. If you don't want to show it, just off this toggle. Then it will at least disappear. But it is good to show read more. So we switch it on again. And next thing is, let me come to this style. Other stuff you can go through it yourself. Let me see. Let me come to this place. You can at least customize all these things. I'm coming. Yes. All these text, they are auto-generated. all this
text,
lorem
they are
ipsum, whatever,
auto-generated.
you know, it's very
All this
common on
lorem ipsum,
website.
it's very common on website.
The button, you can at least
The
customize
button,
stuff.
you can
Come
at
to
least
this side
customize.
here. And you can see here we have a lot to customize
And you can
here.
see here we have a lot
You
to
can see it
customize
here.
here.
We have the background,
You can see
we have
it here.
box
We have
shadow,
the
we have
background,
container,
we have
border
box
radius,
shadow,
everything
we
like
have
that.
container,
Now let me
border radius, everything like that.
move
Now
down
let
a
me
bit to my, you
move down
see
a
it here.
bit to my, you see it
You can,
here.
fine, you can see this your
You can fine. You
button
can see
here.
this your
And your
button here.
button,
And your button,
wait, we have border radius, we have
we have border radius, we
text
have
color. The content is not
text
here. I'm
color.
coming.
The content is not here. I'm coming.
There's a way to at least change this.
There is a way to at least change this.
Okay, read more button.
Okay, read
You
more
can
button.
change this.
You can change
Fine. The label.
this.
There is a way to customize
label.
everything here. So if you don't
There
want
is a
it
way
to
to
be learn more
customize everything here.
and you want it to
So
be
if you
read
don't
more,
want it to
you
be
know,
learn
English
more,
is just the
and you
stuff
want it
here.
to be read.
Some will just put more in a simple form, more. So here you can put read more. Depends on how you want it.
Depends on how you want it.
You are not reading less here because it's showing the whole article.
You are not reading less here
So
because
you can see
it's
it has
showing
changed all these
the
things
whole article.
here.
So you can see it has changed all these things.
And you can customize all these things one by one, but I don't think we have that time today. All this customization, everything like that, I have just
All this
1 hour for it.
customization, everything like that.
Then the other side,
Just 1
we
hour.
move into other stuff,
Then
how
the
to at
other
least
side,
migrate
we
from.
move into other.
What's going on? This one.
Recording in progress.
Hello from the other end. Can you see my screen? So you can see here, we have reduced everything, and you can change your color. If this is not your preferred color, under this style here, sorry, let me come back to this place. Under this style, you can change everything here. Well, I don't want to go into all these things. This will at least take my time here today. But on your own, when you are free, go through all these things. I'll be so glad at least to see you do something tangible with blog or WordPress of a thing. You know, I said something the last time. You can at least, there are some people that are into this thing and making money. I have students that they only came for WordPress of a thing. And today they are making money. But some people will overlook it. You know, that this is just stuff. It is not only for your own consumption. At least you can use it to make money. So depends on your choice. Some people will be like, this is small, Jerry. The money how much is 150? I know some people are even bigger than 1 million naira. Yes. Some will be like, well, mind you, if you get something, maybe you work for someone or 50,000 naira, that 50,000 naira can bring something tangible to money. So I don't need to be at least going back to stories and collect. Let us ignore that side. So now you have seen how to customize your stuff. Go through all these stuffs. You can customize everything. If you want it to have border color, box shadow, border type, anything you want at all, you can set it here. And if you want to go far more at maybe you are advanced, you know, there are some people that are guru, everything that way. So you can customize your stuff. Come to this advanced side, and you can do some things here. I think we have option for CSS. Yeah, you can see it here. We have option for custom CSS, but with normal Elementor, we can't do this. Can you see my screen? Sorry.
Can you see my screen? Sorry.
So if we are on Pro, you
If we are on
can
Pro,
use custom
we can
CSS.
use
Maybe you are
custom
good
CSS.
enough,
Maybe
you
you are
want
good
something
enough, you
that
want
at least
something that
you want to
at
write
least
your
you
own
want to
code
write your own code
yourself. At least you can
At least
show
you
off,
can show off,
you can
you
introduce
can
your own
introduce
code
your own
to
code to
WordPress.
WordPress.
By default,
By
we
default, we
convert normal HTML
convert normal
templates
HTML
to
templates
WordPress and
to
it will work.
WordPress, and it will work.
So, and
So,
let me just say I
let
migrate
me just say I migrate
HTML CSS to a lot of
to a lot of
CMS. You know,
CMS. You know,
WordPress is one of
WordPress is
its
one of
content
its
management
content
system,
management
and we
system,
have
and we
other
have
flat
other
file
flat file
CMS as well.
CMS as well.
Like the Kirby I
Like the
worked
Kirby I
on,
work on, I
let me just
let me
say,
just say
last year, even
last year,
to
even
this
to
year,
this year,
I happen to
I
be the
happen to be the
bestseller of
bestseller of
Kirby
Kirby
CMS all over
CMS
the
all
world on
over the world
Fiverr.
on Fiverr.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I have the
I
badge
have the
there.
badge there.
So,
So,
and
and
on some other
some
CMS
other
as well.
CMS as well.
So that
So
is,
that
you know,
is, you know,
and someone
and
just,
someone
like
just,
I said
like
earlier,
I
I
said
just need
earlier,
to
I
say
just need
this.
to
The
say
person
this.
that
The
introduced me
person
to
that
Kirby
introduced me to
came with
Kirby
just $50 job.
came with just $50
Yes.
job.
He just put the something, I need something to
Yes.
work on.
He just put
But
something
as
I
long
need
as
something
this
to
is
work on.
PHP stuff,
But
I was
as
like,
long as this is
I should
PHP
be
stuff,
able
I was
to
like,
do it.
I should be able to
There I
do it.
just sent
There I
normal.
just sent normal.
I don't believe in
I don't
big
believe
article.
in
If you send story
big
to me, I will
article.
not
If
read
you
it.
send story to me, I will not read it.
If you watch me
If
very
you watch
well on
me
my
very well
WhatsApp
on my WhatsApp
and you put
and you put
a lot
a
of
lot of
stories,
stories,
I don't believe in
I don't
stories.
believe in
Go straight to
stories.
the point.
Go straight
List
to
it
the
one by
point.
one.
List it one by one.
Then I listed
Then
everything
I listed
one by
everything
one. This is,
one
and the
by
guy
one.
came
This
back.
is, and
Oh,
the
I
guy
like the way
came
you
back.
attended to myself.
Oh, I like the
Can
way
you
you
do it?
attended to
I
myself.
was like, okay,
Can you
give me
do it?
1 month.
I was like, okay.
It was so
give me
much
1
in
month.
hurry, but I was like,
It
give
was
me
so
1
much in
month.
hurry.
I will
I was
learn
like,
Kirby,
give me 1
then
month.
I will
I will learn Kirby,
do your job.
then I will
And it was like
do your job. And
$50.
it was
I
like
was like, oh, no, $50 is too small.
$50. I was like, oh, no,
Give me
$50 is
100
too small.
for something I don't know.
Give me 100. For
Yes,
something
now
I
you
don't
need
know.
to be bold enough. For
Yes,
something
now
I
you
don't
need to be
know,
bold enough. For something I don't know.
I did not
I
even work.
I did not
That
even
happened to
work.
be the
That
first
happened to be the
time
first
of
time of
hearing about
hearing
KB
about KB
CMS.
CMS.
And at the end of the
And
day,
at the
the
end of
guy
the day, the
ended
guy
up paying
ended up paying
110.
110.
He gave me
He gave me
extra
extra
$10.
$10.
Then from there, at
Then
least I've
from
made more
there,
than
at least I've
4,000
made more
US
than
dollars used on
4,000 US
KB
dollars
alone, even more
used
than
on KB
4,000.
alone, even more than 4,000.
Yes, this year I've made more
Yes,
than
this
a
year I've made
thousand,
more than
if more than
1,000, if
$2,000
more than
on KB
$2,000
CMS.
on KB CMS.
The last job that
The
I
last
did,
job that
like I said, 700 and something
$700 and
dollar,
something
happened to be
happened
solely
to be
KB
sold in KB
CMS,
CMS.
and
And
I've done so
I've done
many
so
from
many
January
from
till
January
now.
till now.
So they
So
message
they
me
messaged me
directly for KB
directly for KB
CMS.
CMS.
But you need
But
a
you
lot
need
of
a lot of
time, you need to
time. You
learn
need to learn
PHP,
PHP,
HTML,
HTML,
CSS,
CSS,
Yamming, and
Yamming,
so
and
many
so many
languages to at least
languages
be
to at
able to
least
work
be
on
able
that.
to work on that.
So that will
So
take
that
you
will take
a
you
bit.
a bit.
So
So
Kirby in terms of
Kirby in
name,
terms of name,
Kirby.
KIRBY.
So that will
So
take
that will
you.
take you.
I don't want
I
to
don't want
discourage
to
anybody
discourage
if you
anybody.
want to at
I want
least
to at least
learn it,
learn
but you
it.
need to
But
take
you
it
need
bit
to
by
take
bit.
it bit by bit.
HTML,
HTML,
CSS,
CSS,
JavaScript where
JavaScript
needed,
where needed,
Ajax where
Ajax where
needed,
needed,
Yamming.
Yamming.
Those that are into
Those that are into
DevOps and
dev
code like
and
that,
code
you
like
will
that,
know a
you
bit of
know a bit
Yamming
of Yamming
language,
language,
which is
which is
YAML,
YAML,
and maybe Markdown and code like
and
that.
maybe
So you need to
Markdown
know all
and
these
code like
things.
that. So you need to know all these things.
Python is not needed.
Python is not needed.
Yes, you need to learn all these things one
Yes,
by
you need to
one.
learn all these things.
So,
One
and you need to know how to combine
and you need to know
everything
how to combine
with
everything
ETSS and code
with
like that.
ETSS and
So
code like
we are
that.
not in programming class today.
So we are not in programming class today.
Yes, now so
Yes,
now you can see this.
So now you can see this.
And can we move forward?
And can we
from
move
this?
forward?
I believe you can customize
From
this one now.
I believe
Now
you can
let us
customize
save
this one now. Now let us save
and let us see what we have
and
been doing so far.
let
on
us
this
see
very
what we have
page.
been doing so far.
Now you need to click on this preview.
Now you need to click on this preview.
That is eye icon here.
That is eye icon here.
And you can see this area, but I don't
And you
have
can
time
see
to
this
work on
area,
this one today,
but I don't
right
have time
now.
to work on this one today.
You can at least
right
change
now.
this background of a thing.
You can at least change this
So
background
you
of
can
the
see
thing.
it here.
So you can
If
see
you
it
had new article
here.
now,
If we had new
let us go
article
and
now,
add something.
let us
Then
go
see
and add
maybe
something.
it will at least bring it here
Then
or not.
see maybe it will at least bring it here or not.
So let us come back.
So
This
let
thing
us
is
come back.
disturbing me. Sorry.
This thing is disturbing me. Sorry.
Mm, exit.
Exit.
Okay.
Okay.
Apply this to
Apply this
post.
to
Let
post.
us.
Let us.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Let me
Let
preview
me
the stuff
preview this
again.
stuff again.
Maybe I've
Maybe
deleted off what I've done
maybe
also.
I've deleted of what I've
Yeah,
done
it's
also.
still there.
Yeah, it's still there.
So back to our
So back
pages.
to our pages.
You click here. Sorry,
You click
click on
here.
this W
Sorry,
icon.
click on this W icon.
Then come to
Then
posts.
come to posts.
We have more than
We
three
have more
stuffs,
than three stuffs,
and we are
and
only
we are only
seeing
seeing
how many.
how many.
Just let
Just
us
let
add
us
something
add something
first.
first.
Then we see
Then we
where the
see where
error
the
is.
error is.
Let me
Let
just
me just
click here.
click here.
Just
Just
a
a
test
test
post.
post.
Now
Now
we can come
you
back
can come
here,
back here,
close this
close
one.
this one.
If you want
If
to
you want
set
to set
tags,
tags,
everything like
everything
that,
like that,
it is good
it
to at
is
least
good to
use
at least
tags
use
for your
tags for your
article.
article.
And you need to
You
set
need to set
category, you need
category.
to
You need
create
to create
categories and
categories and
everything like that. I
everything
explained
like
this
that. I
last time.
explained this last time.
Abi,
Abi,
I talked
I
about
talked
this.
about this.
So
So
you can at
you
least
can at
set
least
your
set your
categories, maybe under
categories, maybe
education,
under
under
education,
hope,
under hope,
sport, and co
sport,
like
and
that.
co like that.
So pick,
So
I mean, just pick
just pick
anyone,
anyone,
maybe
maybe
education,
education,
and we
and we
update
update
here.
here.
Now, we
Now
can come
we
back to this
can come
place,
back to this place,
edit with
edit
Elementor
with
as well. You
Elementor
can
as
post
well.
directly
You can
here,
post directly
but
here,
Elementor will
but
give you
Elementor will give you
advantage of
advantage of
let me just say better
let me just say
layout or
better
better
layout
arrangement.
or better arrangement.
We have
We have
little time for
little time
customization.
for customization.
Now, let
Now
me click
let me
here,
click here,
add something.
add something.
Now we have
We have
to add
to add
maybe
maybe
heading,
heading,
new
new
article.
article.
You set all
You
these
set
things.
all
I
these
don't need
things.
to
I
at
don't
least
need
be
to at
doing all
least be
these
doing all
things
these
again.
things again.
Then you come
Then you
back to
come
this
back to
place
this
again,
place
we pick
again, we
something
pick
new,
something new.
maybe our
Maybe our
text.
text.
Okay, maybe we
Okay,
are
maybe
done.
we are done.
Okay, let me pick
Okay, let me
one
pick one
image.
image.
Um, sorry, my
Sorry,
mouse
my
is
mouse
somewhere.
is somewhere.
One image
One
this way,
image this way.
maybe before the
Maybe
article,
before the
or I mean
article,
before the
or I
title
mean
or
before the
after the
title,
title. Let
or
us
after
put
the
it this
title.
way,
Let us put it this
and
way. And
we have
we
something
have
here.
something here.
Let us
Let
choose
us
an
choose an
image.
image.
Okay,
Okay.
here.
Here,
If I
if
select
I
this,
select this,
you can see
you
this
can
one, and
see
by
this one, and
default
by
it's
default it's
showing
showing
previous
previous
post,
posts,
everything like
everything
that,
like that,
based on
based on
the
the
settings.
settings.
Now, let
Now,
me come back to
let
my
me come
blog
back to my
post
blog posts
and see
and
if
see if
this will be
this will
added.
be added.
Yeah, we can
Yeah,
see
we can see
this.
this.
We have it
We have it
here.
here.
But
But
why is it
why
not
is it
showing
not
the
showing the
other
older
stuffs?
stuffs?
We need to
We
at
need
least
to at least
troubleshoot that.
troubleshoot that.
But do we even
But
have
do
the
we even
time
have
here?
the
Let
time
us
here? Let
go to
us
it.
go to it.
Next thing is
Next
we
thing
are
is
going
we
to
are
at
going
least
to at
add
least add
cover
cover
image to this
image to this
post.
post.
We are not
We are
done
not
with
done
this
with
one.
this one.
This screen is
This screen
disturbing me.
is disturbing me.
So let me
So
come back.
let me come
We update,
back.
then
We update, then we
Go back a bit.
Go back a bit.
So here,
So, yeah.
yeah, this
Yeah,
featured
this
image,
featured image,
you need to
you need
select
to
one
select one
for that
for that
article.
article.
Maybe let me
Let
just
me
pick
just
that
pick
same
that same
image. I think.
image.
Where is it?
Where is it?
That baby
That baby
sitting.
sitting.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I set
I
this
set
here.
this here.
Then we
Then
update.
we update.
Now let us see
Now
maybe
let
the
us see maybe
image we at least
the image we at
pop up
least
here.
pop up here.
Yeah, we have it here.
Yeah, we
That
have
is
it
how
here.
to at least
That is how to at
add
least
featured image.
add
Now
featured
next thing is
image.
we are
Now,
going back
next
to
thing is we
this
are going back to
article
this
page,
article
which is
page,
our
which is
blog
our
page. Then we
blog
need to
page.
do some
Then
kind
we
of
need to do some kind of
amendment here
amendment there
to show maybe
to
pagination. You
show
know
maybe pagination.
pagination,
You know
maybe
pagination.
you list
Maybe you
like
list
3 articles and you
articles
want to
and
at
you want
least
to at least
show the
show
next
the
one. Or
next
maybe
one.
you
Or
want
maybe
to
you want to
limit everything
limit
to
everything
like
to like
6 articles on the
6
blog
articles on
page.
the blog page.
Then you see
Then
numbers
you see
like at the
numbers
bottom
like
of everything,
at the bottom of
1, 2, 3
everything,
with
one, two,
arrows and
three
co
with
like that.
arrows and co
You
like
need
that.
to at least
You need
go
to at
to
least
another
go
page
to
to see
another
the
page to
older
see the
ones.
older ones.
By
By
default,
default,
WordPress or
WordPress or
anything
anything
blog
blog
will list
will
the
list the
newest article
newest
first.
article first.
Not that it will add it to
Not that
the
it will add it to
older
the
ones. It will
older
at least
ones.
just
It will
like
at least just like
you are
you
fetching
are
water, or
fetching
let me
water,
just say
or
you
let
are
me just say
putting
you are
something
putting
inside a
something inside
drum.
a drum.
You know,
You know,
the first
the
thing you
first thing
had
you
will
had
be at
will
the
be at the
bottom.
bottom.
Then you
Then
add
you
to
add
it.
to
The
it.
last
The
one will
last
be
one will
at the
be
top.
at the top.
I don't know, maybe
I
you
don't know if
understand
you
that
understand that
procedure.
procedure.
So
So
that is
that is
first.
first
We are not in LIFO or
we are
whatever,
not in
whatever.
LIFO
Now
or
let me
whatever,
drop that.
whatever. Now let me
Now
drop
let
that.
us go back
Now
to
let
this
us go
page.
back to this page.
Pages. Then
Pages. Then
the
our
title,
the
which is
title,
okay,
which is
new
okay, new
blogs.
blogs.
So
So
we are going to click on
we are
this.
going to click on this.
That is
That
using
is
Elementor and
using
stuff
Elementor
to
and
do this
stuff
thing
to do this
here.
thing
We
here.
can do it the
We
other
can do
way
it
around
the other way
by
around by
traditional
traditional
WordPress
WordPress
arrangement settings.
arrangement
All you
settings.
just need to do is
All you just need to do
go
is
to our
go to our
what's it called,
what's it
this
called? This
site setting
site
of a thing.
setting of a thing.
Then you
Then you
choose the
choose
home
the
page.
home page.
Then you
Then
choose
you
the
choose
article
the
page.
article
That
page.
one is
That
so
one is so
simple and
simple and
straightforward,
straightforward,
but
but
with
with
limited
limited
customization.
customization.
You know, there are some
You know,
things
there are some
that
things
the way
that
you
the
at
way
least
you
if
at
you
least
just
if you
dump it
just
that
dump
way,
it that way,
you won't have
you won't have
much
much
control over it.
control over it.
So
So
let us
let
go
us
through
go
this
through
thing
this thing
again.
again.
Now,
Now,
show read
show read
more,
more,
query,
query,
date
date
offset,
offset,
descending, and
descending, and
order by
order
date,
by date,
offset,
offset,
everything like that.
everything like that.
Okay,
Okay, let me.
we are not
We are
setting
not
any
setting any
offset now.
offset now.
Offset, we at
Offset, we
least
at least
minus that,
minus that.
maybe one,
Maybe one,
then
then
jump to
jump to
the other
the
one
other
like
one
that.
like that.
So,
So,
where is it?
where is it?
Post count.
Post count.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry,
Sorry,
you can see
you
it
can
here
see it
under
here
this
under this
query.
query.
Can you see this
Can you see
option,
this option,
please?
please?
You can see
You
it
can see
here.
it
I
here.
have
I have
just
just
this.
this.
Maybe we set
Maybe
it
we
to
set it to
6.
6.
But the next
But
thing
the next
I'm
thing
looking for is
I'm looking
pagination.
for
Even
is
if we set this to
pagination.
6
Even if we
and
set this to 6
the
and
rest should be
the
in
rest
another
should be in
page.
another page.
This
This
query,
query,
metadata,
metadata,
maybe, okay.
okay.
Show floating
Show floating
category, no.
category, no.
Where is it?
Where is it?
This
This
plugin is
plugin
somehow.
is so
Okay. Nothing is showing.
interesting.
That is query, no. Offset one, no. Metadata, no. Everyone. Sorry.
Sorry.
Advanced. Let me
Advanced.
check
Let me check
this.
this.
Please. I'm so
Please.
much
I'm
in
so much
hurry
in hurry,
and you know
and you know
what's going on. There's no way
there's
to
no way
search
to
it.
search it.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
sorry.
Maybe if you
Maybe if
see
you
anything
see anything
pagination, please let
pagination,
me
please
know.
let me know.
Because
Because
okay, post paro here.
Postparo here.
Under
Under
query we
query
have
we have
post
post
count
count
6.
6.
You know,
You know,
okay, by
okay,
default
by
I don't know
default
the
I don't
number
know the
of,
number of,
it's not
it's
showing
not
here.
showing
Per
here.
page
Per
you can
page you
set
can
it
set it
in the
in the
normal
normal
WordPress something.
WordPress something.
Per page you
Per
can
page
set
you
the
can
number
set the
of
number of
articles that will be
articles
at
that
least
will
be
be at least be
displayed
displayed
per page.
per page.
Then
Then
anything more than
anything more
that,
than that,
we at least
we at
move it to
least
the other
move it to the
page.
other page.
I'm not seeing
I'm not
that
seeing that
settings here
settings here
presently.
presently.
I'm not
I'm
seeing
not
it,
seeing it,
and I don't
and
want
I
to
don't
waste
want to
time
waste
here.
time here.
But
But
in a normal way, in a
in a
simple way, if
simple
you
way,
don't
if
want
you
to
don't
at
want
least
to at least
customize
customize
anything, you don't
anything,
want to
you don't
set
want to set
anything,
anything,
you can
you
just
can
go
just
and
go
dump
and dump
everything on
everything
this
on
page
this page
without using
without
this
using this
plugin.
plugin.
Using that
Using
method
that
that I said
method that I said
the other
the
day.
other day.
Let me
Let me
update this very
this
one.
very one.
But I will do
But I will do
something
something
and I will
and I
record
will
the
record the
video and
video
post
and
it.
post it.
I will
I
even
will
use
even
this
use
week
this
or
week
at least
or at
push
least push
something, a lot
something,
of
a lot of
tutorials on
tutorials
that
on
very
that very
channel.
channel.
I've been so
I've been so
busy these
busy
days,
these days,
and
and
based on
based on
electricity stuff
electricity
in my
stuff in
area,
my
so I
area,
run
so
on
I
Gen
run on
mostly.
Gen mostly.
So
So
let me go
let
back.
me go back.
Let us come
Let
to
us
this
come to this
site
site
settings.
settings.
I want to show you the second
I want to
method.
show you the
Then we
second
move
method.
into
Then we move into
uh
uh
okay, sorry,
okay,
not
sorry,
here.
not here.
All this
All this
layout, site
layout, site
identity and co like
identity
that,
and co like that,
global, whatever,
global,
whatever.
whatever.
We are not
We are not
coming to display. Sorry.
coming to display. Sorry.
Now we come to this
Now we come to
settings.
this settings.
You can see these are
You
general
can
and
see these are
writing,
general
reading,
and
and co.
writing, reading, and
Let me come to this
let me
place.
come to
Seems
this place. Seems
now okay, fine.
now okay, fine.
Under settings,
Under
then
settings, then
reading.
reading.
Then you can
Then
see
you
this
can see
home
this
page.
home
You can
page.
see
You
it
can
here.
see it here.
Then post
Then
page.
post page.
Now you can
Now
change
you
it.
can change it.
This is simple
This is simple
and straightforward,
and
but
straightforward, but
no customization or
no
anything like that. Now, if you click on
customization or
this,
anything like that.
then
Now, if
here
you
you can
click on
see
this,
blog
then here you can see
pages show
blog
at most 10.
pages
That is
show
10
at most
posts.
10. That is
Then,
10
but
posts.
we can reduce this if you don't want to show
But
10.
we can reduce
Maybe you
this
want to
if you don't
show
want to
something
show
like
10.
6.
Maybe
Maybe
you want
we
to
set
show
the
something
arrangement
like
to be like
6. Maybe we set
3
the arrangement
columns,
to be like
then 2 rows.
3 columns,
So this we at
then
least
2
dump the
rows.
something.
So this we at least dump
Syndication
the
fees
something.
show most
Syndication fees
recent
show
10
most recent
items and co
10
like that.
items and co like that.
That is for each
That is
post
for each
here.
post
Now you
here.
need to
Now
at
you need
least,
to at least,
I said
I
something
said
earlier,
something
you don't
earlier.
need to
You
show
don't
your
need to
full
show your full
text.
text.
I don't know, maybe
I
you
don't
are
know, maybe you
following.
are following.
This class is
This class
somehow
is
code.
somehow code.
Everyone is
Everyone
just,
is just,
we are just quiet.
they are
I don't
just
know, maybe
quiet.
we
I
are
don't know if
following.
you are following.
Eh?
Eh?
Today's graduation.
Today's graduation.
You need to be
You need
happy.
to be happy.
You need to be
You
happy.
need to be
Don't
happy.
know,
No,
maybe
no,
you
maybe
just
you
keep
just keep
quiet.
quiet.
No, today now
No,
you need
today
to
now
at
you
least
need to at
push a
least
lot of
push a
stuff.
lot of stuffs.
I expect you to at
I
least ask
expect
a
you
lot
to at
of
least ask
stuff
a lot
today.
of
But
stuff today.
everybody's just
Well,
keeping calm.
everybody's just
Maybe
keeping
just
calm.
do your
Maybe
magic
just
and
do
go
your
away.
magic and go away.
No,
No,
when I was in school,
when I was in school,
if
if
okay, like this course now,
okay, like this course now,
then this
then
advanced
this
calculus of a thing,
advanced calculus of a thing,
and cycle theory,
and cycle
the
theory.
lecturer
The lecturer
taking that course,
taking that
then though
course,
it's late
then
now,
though it's
though
late
he
now,
later happened to be
though
my
he
one,
later
one of
happened
the
to be
best
my
lecturer.
one of the
But the
best
moment
lecturer.
when
But the
he
moment
first
when
came,
he first
he
came,
will just
he will
explain.
just explain.
You can't
You
know
can't
it.
know it.
I spent
I
four
spent
years to
4
do
years
this
to do
thing
this
in
thing in
university.
university.
You can't
You
just
can't
know it
just know
with a
it with a
semester.
semester.
Yes,
Yes,
he do.
he
He
do.
always
He
say that.
always say that.
But as time
But
goes,
as time goes,
and
and
we,
we,
the let me just
let me
say,
just say,
stubborn
stubborn
students in the
student
class.
in
We
the
just,
class, you just
okay, just do what you want to do and go away,
go away,
jare, go and
go
read,
and read.
and that's
And
it.
that's it.
But it got
But
to a
it got to
point.
a point,
The very first
the very first
semester,
semester,
maybe my score happened to be maybe D or CD. Then I was
Then
like,
I was
hey,
like, hey,
how am I going to
how am I
show
going
this
to show
to
this
this to my
this
friends
to my
and co
friends
like
and
that?
co like that?
Then I
Then I
downloaded a book
downloaded a book
on my
on
own.
my own.
I sat down with some friends. Then the next semester like this, we started pushing a lot of stuff to this lecturer.
lecturer.
And he was like,
And he was
oh,
like, oh,
good,
good,
you know it,
you know
Abi.
it, Abi.
I will treat you
Treat you
in
in
a
a
reasonable way.
reasonable
Then
way.
he set
Then he
one
set
exam.
one exam.
First and
First
second
and second
question,
question,
compulsory.
compulsory.
That day,
That day,
even the let me just say the guru in my class, we had a lot of Bible. Yes,
Yes.
we were just like,
We were just like,
this is.
this is.
Then we went to
Then we
one
went to
lecturer.
one lecturer.
Oga, this one we don't know
We
it.
don't know it.
This is
This
far
is
beyond.
far beyond.
And that lecturer
And
looked
that
at me and
lecturer
said,
looked
this is
at
beyond your level.
level.
This man just
This man
decided to at least punish you. But the next thing we did, the following semester, we sat down again. We went to buy all these big textbooks. Engineering mathematics. We sat down, we treated everything one by one. Then the third semester, back to, I'll come back. Then we did everything accordingly. Then I was using glasses. And it was like, already Google. Then we happened to be friends then. See, he died this year. We do communicate. I was like, I like your spirit. And with one of my friends, that guy is here as well in Lagos. That guy happened to be, you know, when you are talking about a genius, just looking at a book like this, it's okay. With anything theory, but anything practical, it's not so good. So, you know, that is how to go. On your own, you just need to at least push. At times, okay, sir. You want to ask me something? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Of this.
Of this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
you know, Okay.
Okay.
Now, let me put it
Now
this
let me put
way.
it this way.
And
And
class, from the other end, please, can you hear us here? So, no, are you from the other end? So, after this program, I will at least take my time, and the best way we can at least communicate with each other, or maybe you see my. Before I don't used to teach anybody online, or let me just say all this stuff. But I decided to at least create a channel, then post video there. Many of you have my WhatsApp stuff. If you want me to do something, or maybe you have a question to ask me, just drop the message. Whenever I have the time, I will create video just in line with that stuff, then push it there so that everybody will be able to see it. I think that's the best idea to go about it. This is not bragging. At least I have more than, as I'm standing before you. If I'm not mistaken, I have more than 400 students across Nigeria. Yeah. I started 2012. My first class happened to be 2012, and that class I taught 25 students. So the next class, 100 plus, and the third one, let me just say, had 50. Another place hired me, then more than 50 students. And from that year till 2019, I was doing it every year like that. So I have students across Nigeria, both northern side, southern side, and east. So, and right in my school, if you go to Federal Poly Offer, I happen to be a graduate of Federal Poly Offer, and you just mention my name in the engineering department, at least they will point to me because I have a lot of students and even lecturers that, though they have their own practical, theoretical experience, but then when I was in school, I was mainly into practical both networking and theory. I mean, web and hardware repair everything. So we can both grow together. Even the person that introduced me to this very place happened to be one of my students. I taught that guy in 2014. His name is Wale. He's in Akure presently. Yeah. He happened to be my student here. We can at least, even if I call him now, you just here. He introduced me to this place last year, and to God be the glory. I think even if I'm not here now, if I see someone at least so bold and competent enough, and I want to do something, okay, please just go to that place, go and do it. Then you get your money, you are good to go. So if I ask you to go and do something, I don't expect you to return anything back to me. Just take your money and go. This is not bragging, it's your own duty. Only if you want to at least, okay, take this for cook. And only if I want to take cook. So that's it. So I think I've answered you, sir. We can push even down to coding later for those that are interested. And maybe we talk about careers in tech. I was discussing with some people last week. Not everybody will be a website developer. Please, from the other hand, please pay attention as well. Not everybody will be a website designer or developer. There are so many stuff in tech, like all this, your marketing, project manager, DevOps, cloud. Yeah, you can go into cloud. So, and so many other things like that. Presently, I'm learning DevOps. I want to move from coding to something else as well. But you can't take that brain of coding away. Again, no, that's not possible. So that one will be additional stuff. Not for something, but for, you need to bring more dollars to Nigeria. Yes, you need to, that's just the best idea. And when you network yourself all over the world, you can get something. You are not too old though. I have someone that started web of everything, and let me just say tech at the age of 48. Yes. You started age of 48 years old. I do call it sir, daddy. And today he's no more in Nigeria. He just went to learn all this cloud, whatever, and go like that. Coupled with, let me just say he had masters of everything in computer science also. Just joined everything together and moved to UK. He happened to be a project manager there. So I always encourage people, don't be discouraged. Some people will be like, you can make it. Don't just look at those people, just move ahead. So back to business. Can we move forward now? You have seen this. Then when you click here now, click save changes. Now, if we come back to this place, we can remove this. If we want to remove this. But now let me refresh. I want to see the conflict on this very page. You can see. I know there is something. It has changed this page to something else. There must be conflict on it because the settings here, you can see this here, and you can see. Now, if you want to set this, the moment you have your blank page, you don't need to customize using what's it called, Elementor. If you want to use the default stuff, you just go to these settings, then you click on reading, or is it reading or read? I don't know. Okay, reading or something like that. Sorry, English is too tough. Say yes now. That is not my mother tongue. So here you can see reading here. Then you click on, you set the home page. Then you set your post page. You don't need to customize anything using Elementor. But the moment you set Elementor and you still come back to this place, there will be little, when you are giving instruction to someone from two different directions. Let me just say, maybe The father stands here, the mother is here, and they are both commanding a little kid at a time. There'll be, yes. So that is just the best way to at least explain this. You just need to set it. Maybe you want to use Elementor, or you want to use a normal traditional blog post. So I believe you understand this. If you have anything to ask me about this, please ask now before I jump into something else. Because we have less than 1 hour. But I pray they at least have additional like 30 minutes more, or maybe an hour more. From the other hand, is there any question so far? Okay. Now, after everything here, let me move into how to move your local host website to a live server. Because if you work on your PC and you don't even know how to move it from here to a live server, that is waste of time and effort. So you need to at least learn how to do that now. We have two ways, using plugin and normal manual method. Please, if you don't understand anything, just let me know. I will come back to it in the best way, at least to explain. Last week I mentioned MySQL and co. Using PHP, my admin, I created a database. If you go through your notes, now maybe you have finished designing your website and you subscribe for all this shared hosting or WordPress hosting and everything. You will have access to your C panel. Depends on your what's it called? Hosting company. Some will not give you what's it called? Normal C panel, the common type, but they will just give you access to database, then your content using FTP. You will even be able to manage the files anyhow. You won't see it listed or something like that. I displayed IONOS or something like that last week. Let me come back. I just want to show you the structure and see the difference between these two hosting accounts. This IONOS is not my own. This company is based in Germany. Sorry, any hosting company that I use, this is disclaimer. I'm not recommending any. Go with your own. Let me just say, with the preferred one. We have Nigerian hosting companies, if you are okay with that, and we have from other countries as well. So now this is based in Germany. The owner of this one is a German person. This account that I want to at least show here now. So I worked for this person some months ago, and till now we still work together. So now let me log in, because I still work on this last even as at yesterday. I work on something, just little amendments. Now let me try. Maybe I still have the login stuff. I don't know. You can see it has changed the language. So fine. Now I have logged into this account, and you can see this is all you see here. Now if you come to this hosting, you come to use web space and databases. Now this is what we are going to see. You won't see it like the Google host that I displayed the first class. If you remember, my very first class here, I used the Google host something. The C panel now is different from this one. Now you can see it here. You can see this is how to create database here, and use a web space. If you click on this, you can see it. This will not
This will not
list
list
all the
all
files
the files
or anything like
or
that.
anything like that.
Or you just,
Or you just,
to work on
to
this
work on this
hosting
hosting
something, you
something,
need your
you need your
FTP account.
FTP account.
You know FTP now, those that are familiar,
You know
but if you
FTP
don't know
now, those that
FTP,
are
yeah,
familiar,
which
but
is
you don't know
file
FTP,
transfer
which is
protocol
file
or
transfer
anything.
protocol.
And
And
when you have this
when you have this
account, you
account,
use your
you
FTP
use your
client here.
FTP
Let me
client
just
here.
pick
Let me
file. We
just
have
pick
different
we have different
FTP clients, but I use
FTP clients, but I
FileZilla or
use
something like that.
FileZilla or something like that.
Now, this is how you see your
Now, this is how
FTP
you
account.
see your
Mostly,
FTP account.
the
Mostly,
files on your local host, your
the
PC
files
will
on
be
your
this
local
side,
host, your
which
PC will
is
be
this
this side,
left-hand
which
side
is
here.
this
Then
left-hand
the
side
one
here.
on live server,
Then the
mostly
one on
you
live
see it
server,
at the
mostly
right-hand side.
you see it at
Just
the
two
right-hand side,
columns like
just
this.
two columns like this.
Can you see the
Can
screen
you see
now?
the screen
So
now?
I have all
So I have
this
all this
on my
on my
PC here.
PC here.
Now let
Now,
me
let me
quickly
quickly
connect to
connect to
maybe one
maybe
hosting
one
account.
hosting
Let me
account.
connect
Let
to
me
that
connect
very
to
one.
that very one.
Okay,
Okay,
this is it.
this is it.
I have
I
all
have
the
all
stuff
the stuffs
because
because
the owner
the
can come
owner can
today.
come today.
Please,
Please,
this is the
this is
thing for me
everything
on
for me on
the
the
website. I want to
website. I
amend
want to
something,
amend something,
or I want
or
you
I
to do
want you to do
something
something
for me.
for me.
Okay, like
Okay, like
yesterday I worked
yesterday
on
I
the
worked on the
SEO of a
SEO
thing
of a thing
for
for
the
the
lady in
lady in
question.
question.
So
So
I always
I
have the
always have the
login. Now
login.
this
Now,
is,
this is,
let me just say
let me
these
just
are
say
the
these are
files
the
and
files
folders
and
on
folders
this
on
very
this very
website, and
website.
you can
And you
see
can
it if you
see it.
look
If
at
you
it
look
very
at it
well. You
very well, you
see
see
recent file. You
recent
can see
file. You
the
can see
date
the
here,
date here,
which is
which is
28th
28th
of
of
August. That
August.
was
That was
yesterday, I
yesterday,
think,
I think.
and then
And then
around
around
4 something
4 something
here.
a.m.
So I
So I
created all
created
these
all these
scripts and code
scripts
like
and
that
code like
with
that with
sitemap and
sitemap
code.
and code.
So
So
now
now
you can
you
manage
can manage
this
this
hosting
hosting
using
using
FTP.
FTP.
Anything you want to do,
Anything
any
you
file you want to
do,
do at
any file
all
you want to
here,
do at all here,
or maybe you want to
or maybe
modify,
you
or
want
you want
to
to
modify,
upload,
or
or
you
you
want to
want to do
upload, or you
anything,
want to do
to
anything,
upload
to
and download
upload and
now,
download
all
now,
you just need
all
to
you
do
just need
is
to do is
come to this
come to
place.
this place.
If you want to
If you want to
upload,
upload,
let me
let
just
me
create
just create
one
one
necessary file
necessary
here,
file here,
maybe text.
maybe text.
Um, let me.
Let me.
You can drag and drop from anywhere,
You can
but the
drag
best
and
thing
drop
is
from
to
anywhere.
navigate to your.
Well, the best thing is
Maybe I
to
want to
navigate to
put
your.
this one now,
Maybe I
which is
want to put
localhost here.
this
If
one
I
now,
drag it to this place,
which is
now if I drop it here,
if I drag,
you can see uh,
you can see uh,
the internet is
the
not
internet is
stable.
not stable.
Okay,
Okay,
you can see
you can
my
see my
local host.
local
I
host.
should
I
have
should
it here. Yeah, you
have
can see it
it
here.
here. Yeah, you can see it here.
You just drag and
You
drop
just drag
from one
and
end to the other end,
drop
and if you
from
want to
one end
download,
to the other
just
end, and if
drag
you want to download,
and drop.
just drag and drop.
Then you have it here.
Then you
And
have
if
it
you want
here.
to delete, just
And if you want to
right
delete,
click here.
just right
Then you
click
can see
here.
delete.
Then you can see delete.
So using this
So
FTP of
using
it,
this
you can
FTP of
manage
it, you can
everything
manage
here.
everything here.
You don't have
You don't
access
have
to
access to
the file
the file
listing on the
listing on the
hosting stuff.
hosting stuff.
There are some
There are
hosting
some hosting
companies like
companies
that,
like that.
and
And
like our
like
own
our
here
own
now,
here
which is
now, which is a
Google host of
Google
a
host
thing.
of a thing.
Let me log
Let me
into
log
the
into the
account.
account.
I have one
I have one
account with
account
Google
with
host.
Google host.
Then you see
Then you
the
see the
now my account. I just want
I
you
just
to
want you
see.
to see.
Then
Then we
this is not
this is not
repetition of
repetition of
the last
the
class.
last class.
I'm
You know,
showing
I'm showing
something
something
different now,
different now
because some people
because
will be
some
like,
people will be like,
this
this
thing we have been
thing
taught this
we have
one
been taught
several
this one
times and
several
go like
times
that.
and go
So
like that. So
this is not the
this is not
same
the same
stuff.
stuff.
And
And
here
here
I have
I have
one
one
active
active
hosting stuff
hosting stuff
here.
here.
Let me just say
Let me
hosting
just say
service here.
hosting service here.
Now let
Now
me
let me
come back
come
to this.
back
Okay,
to this.
here.
Okay, here.
Now
Now
to go to our
to go to our
cPanel,
C
you can
panel,
see it
you can
here.
see it
You
here.
can see
You can
one
see
click
one click
login. When you
login.
click
When you
it
click
here,
it here,
it will log
it will
in
log in
automatically.
automatically.
Let it
Let it
load.
load.
Then from
Then
here,
from
you
here,
can do
you
a
can
lot
do
of
a lot of
stuff.
stuffs.
You can see all
You can see
this
all
file
this file
manager
manager
and co
and
like
co
that.
like that.
So
So
now we are
now
going
we are
straight
going
into
straight
file
into file
manager.
manager.
All these
All
things
these
that I'm
things that
explaining, you
I'm
see
explaining,
how
you
we are
see
going to
how
make
we are
use
going
of
to
it
make use of it
soon.
soon.
Then
Then
inside
inside
everything that will
everything
be at
that will
least
be at least
public
public
will be
will be
inside this
inside this
public
public
HTML.
HTML.
Even if you
Even if you
want to have
want to have
multiple
multiple
websites,
websites,
maybe you
maybe
have
you have
subdomains and
subdomains
everything
and
like that,
everything like that,
it will
it will
surely be
surely
here.
be here.
And you can
And
see
you can
it.
see it.
This is
This
the
is the
default.
default.
I
I
installed
installed
WordPress
WordPress
earlier.
earlier.
And mind you,
And
I
mind
have
you, I have
some
some
other
other
websites here
websites here
as well,
as
like
well, like
this
this
ACVN,
ACVN,
Adeyeye,
Adeyeye,
Afolabi,
Afolabi,
Ame,
Ame,
Jero,
Jero,
Natari, Mini,
Natari,
and co
Mini,
like
and
that.
co like that.
Opara,
Opera,
OpenChat,
OpenChat,
Portfolio,
Portfolio,
whatever.
whatever.
All these
All
are
these are
websites
websites
on their
on
own,
their
not
own,
just
not
the
just the
WordPress stuff.
WordPress stuff.
So
So
all these
this, all
ones, they
these
are
ones,
just
they are just
subdomain. Now
subdomain.
I need
Now
to
I
create
need to create
another
another
folder
folder
here
here
for
for
demonstration,
demonstration,
how to
how to
copy or
copy
move
or move
our local
our local
host
host
to
to
live server
live server
here.
here.
So can we
So
go
can we
ahead?
go ahead?
Now let
Now
me
let me
create
create
something here.
something here.
You can see
You can see
plus a
plus
folder.
a folder.
You can see
You
name
can see
folder
name
here.
folder here.
You know, this
You know,
is
this
quite
is
different
quite
from
different from
the
the
previous one.
previous one.
That previous
That
one, you
previous
can't
one, you
manage
can't
any
manage
file
any file
like
like
this.
this.
You just need
You
to
just
do
need to do
everything through
everything through
FTP.
FTP.
And
And
that is not
that is
good
not
for
good for
beginners.
beginners.
I will be sincere, because you
I
can't
will be
just
sincere
manage
because you
everything
can just
anyhow.
manage everything
Now let
anyhow.
me add this,
Now let me add this
and let me
and
name
let
it
me name it
AM
AM
corner,
corner,
just like I
just like
did.
I did.
Then
Then
new folder
new
will be
folder will be
created in.
created in.
If you are
If you are
pointing to
pointing
another
to
folder,
another
maybe you
folder,
are
maybe
pointing
you are
to
pointing
another
to another
folder
folder
inside this
inside
one,
this one.
fine.
Fine.
But we
But
want
we
this
want this
AM corner
AM
to be
corner to be
inside
inside
this
this
public stuff.
public stuff.
Now we have
Now
it
we have it
here.
here.
We have this
We have
folder
this
ready.
folder ready.
We have
We have
our live,
our live
cPanel ready
cPanel
as
ready
well.
as well.
First step we
First
are going
step
to
we are
do
going
on
to
our
do on our
local
local
PCs.
PCs.
We need
We
to
need
go
to go
to,
to
okay,
okay,
since I have
since I
chat
have
here,
chat here.
okay,
Okay,
asking for
asking for
WhatsApp number.
WhatsApp
I will
number.
do
I
this
will do this
later,
later,
please.
please.
Let me come
Let
to
me come
my
to my
browser,
browser.
then
Then
go to
go
that
to
very
that very
website. Where is
website.
it?
Where is it?
Okay, AM
Okay,
corner
AM
also.
corner also.
Now,
Now
I need to
I need to
install, there is a
install. There's a
plugin.
plugin.
Number one
Number one
method,
method.
that one is
That one is
manual.
manual.
You need to
You need
zip
to
your
zip your
folder,
folder.
then
Then
upload it,
upload it.
then go to
Go
your
to your
local host,
local host,
which is
which
PHP.
is
I mean,
PHP.
you
I
go
mean, you
to
go to
PHP My
PHP My
Admin,
Admin.
then you
Then you
export your
export your
database.
database.
I think
I
that
think
is,
that is.
but I will do
But I
that.
will do that.
Should I
Should
do
I
that
do
first
that
or
first
the
or the
plugin
plugin
method first?
method first?
Which one?
Which one?
Okay. Now, you need to
Okay.
install a
Now
plugin
you need to
called
install a plugin
Duplicator.
called
I installed it already.
Duplicator. I installed it already.
I have it here.
I have it here.
You can see
You
it.
can see it.
But let me
But let me
delete this or remove this,
delete
and
this
I will install it again so that you can see.
or remove this and can see.
Why? My internet
My
is
internet
it's showing me
is
that my
showing me that my
internet is not
internet is
stable
not
here.
stable here.
So I don't
So
know.
I don't know.
Now we need
Now
to
we need
install
to
this
install this
plugin
plugin
here.
here.
You click on
You click on
add,
add.
add new.
Add new.
Then
Then
you
you
search for
search
duplicator
for
here.
duplicator here.
That is, you want
That
to
is, you
duplicate
want to
your
duplicate your
website.
website.
Some use it for
Some use
backup
it for
of their
backup
website as
of
well.
their
You can
website
use
as
it for
well.
backup,
You can use it for
and you
backup
can use it
and
for
you can
anything
use
you
it
want
for
as well.
anything you want as well.
So I've deleted this,
So I've
but
deleted
it's
this
still
one, but
showing me that
it's still showing me
I
that
have it installed.
I
Let me
have it
click here.
installed. Let me click here.
WordPress is showing me something
WordPress
else.
is showing me
I've
something
deleted
else.
this thing,
I've deleted
but
this
still
thing,
showing me that.
but still showing me that.
Let me refresh this
Let me refresh this
my plugin
my
page.
plugin page.
Still here.
Still here.
Okay, first thing I need
Okay,
to
first thing I need to
deactivate. Sorry,
deactivate. Sorry,
my bad.
my bad.
You need to
You need to
deactivate. Then
deactivate.
the
Then
option
the
to
option to
delete at
delete
least will
at least will
come.
come.
I mean, it
I
will
mean,
show up
we show up
here.
here.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
see
you
it
can
here
see
now.
it here now.
You need to
You need to
delete.
delete.
Fine, we have
Fine,
it
we have it
deleted.
deleted,
And
and
to add it
to add it
again, let me
again,
just
let me
click on
just click
add
on
new.
add new.
I just
I
want you
just
to
want you
see
to see
the
the
particular
particular
plugin I'm
plugin
talking
I'm
about,
talking
because
about
we have
because we
a
have
lot
a
of
lot of
duplicator for
duplicator for
different
different
stuffs,
stuffs,
and some they
and some
perform
they
the same
perform the
function,
same
but
function, but
I use
I
this
use
a
this
lot
a lot
or
or
sometimes,
sometimes,
but I so
but I
much
so
believe
much
in
believe in
manual
manual
uh,
uh,
uploading and go
uploading
like
and go
that.
like that.
I can do
I can
everything
do everything
manually, and
manually, and
it will
it
work.
will work.
Now here is it. You can see duplicator, WordPress migration and backup plugin.
Now here is it.
The
You can
title
see
is
duplicator,
so
WordPress
straightforward.
migration
You
and
know the
backup
function of this very
plugin.
plugin.
You know the function of this very
So
plugin.
when you install
So
this,
when you install this,
and you can see
and you can
other
see other
duplicate
duplicate
post,
post,
duplicator, you can see
you
post
can see post
duplicator, you can see
duplicator, you
menu
can see menu
duplicator,
duplicator,
and you can
and
see a
you can
lot
see a
of
lot of
duplicator
duplicator
like that.
like that.
So,
So,
but we are
but we are
installing this very
installing this
one.
very one.
You can see this
You
one
can see
as
this
well.
one as well.
The same
The same
function, but
function,
from
but
different
from
company.
different company.
But
But
I haven't
I
used this
haven't
one
used this
for
one
even
for
just
even
for a
just
minute,
for a minute.
so I don't know
So I
how
don't
this
know
one
how this one
functions. But you
functions.
can try it out.
But
If
you can try it
it
out
gives you the
if
same stuff,
it gives you the same stuff.
then we
Then
activate
we
this.
activate this.
Now we have it
Now we have it
activated.
activated.
Now all this,
Now
I
all
mean, this
this,
very
I mean,
page,
this
you
very
don't
page,
need
you
it.
don't need it.
Just come
Just
back to
come
this
back to
here.
this here.
I mean,
I
here
mean, here
from this
from this
sidebar here, you
sidebar
can
here, you
see
can see
duplicator is
duplicator
added
is
here.
added here.
So after
So after
installing the
installing the
plugin, you
plugin,
see it
you
here
see it
with
here
this
with this
icon here.
icon here.
So you
So
come to
you
these
come to these
packages.
packages.
I believe you
I
are
believe you
following
are
this.
following this.
Now,
Now,
when you want to
when you
create
want
new
to create new
package,
package,
that is to
that
back
is to
up
back
our.
up our.
Let me
Let me
close this
close this
stuff here.
stuff here.
Now,
Now,
when we
when we
click on
click
create
on
new,
create new,
sorry,
sorry.
now you can see
Now
by
you can
default
see
it will
by
give it
default it will
name.
give
You
it
don't need
name.
if you
You don't
want
need
to
if
change
you
the
want to
name, you
change
can
the name,
change
you
it.
can change it.
And if you don't want
And
to
if you don't
change
want
it,
to change it,
you leave it
you leave
this
it
way.
this way.
And it will
And
at
it
least you
will at
can
least
see
you can
this
see this
archive,
archive,
and you can
and
see
you
the
can see the
installer and
installer
co like
and
that.
go like that.
So we don't
So
need to
you don't need
set
to
much
set
here
much here
because we are
because we are
backing up
backing up
everything, and
everything, and
this
this
duplicator will create
duplicator will
the
create the
installer
installer
uh,
uh,
PHP file that we
PHP
need.
file that we
You
need.
can see
You can
this
see this
uh,
uh,
archive file
archive
will
file will
contain this. You
contain
can see
this.
this
You can see
database,
this
you can see
database, you can
plugins,
see plugins,
and
and
you can see
you can
only
see
active
only active
plugins if you
plugins
want to
if
say
you
it
want to
that
say
way,
that way.
and
And
themes.
Teams.
Now I'm
Now
picking
I'm picking
everything
everything
because I want
because
to
I want to
upload
upload
everything here.
everything here.
So
So
I don't want to
I
leave
don't want to
anything
leave
behind. You
anything
can
behind.
see
You can
all.
see all.
And if you want
And
to
if you
pick
want to
only
pick only
database, fine.
database, fine.
Now
Now
we click on
we click on
next.
next.
And okay,
And
sorry,
okay,
this
sorry, this
installer. Let me
installer, let
just
me just
show you.
show you.
You can see if you
You can
want
see if
to
you
enable
want to
password
enable
and co like
password
that,
and go like that.
and this will
And
just
this will just
copy
copy
your
your
database
database
stuff.
stuff.
You can see
You can see
localhost value
localhost
is
value is
optional,
optional,
port
port
value is
value is
optional. You can
optional.
see
You
it.
can see it.
Database
Database
name
name
value is
value is
optional
optional
because this
because
will
this
at least
will at least
extract
extract
everything.
everything.
So
So
let us click
let us
on
click on
next.
next.
Now this
Now
will at
this will
least
at least
scan the
scan the
website
website
and see
and
if there
see
is
if there is
error
error
or
or
something.
something.
Now you can
Now
see
you can
scan
see scan
complete.
complete.
You can see
You can
this
see
now,
this now.
everything good
Everything good
except
except
this. You can
this.
see
You can see
size
size
checks.
checks.
So
So
leave the
leave
site
the site
something.
something.
He's just
It's just
complaining about the
complaining
site
about the
of the
site of the
website
website
as
as
which is
which is a
207
207
point 7.72 megabytes.
72 megabytes.
So
So
if you
if you
click on this
click on
notice
this
of a
notice
thing,
of
it
a
will
thing,
just
it will
tell you
just
to
tell
at
you
least
to at
delete
least
some
delete some
stuff.
stuff.
And we are not
And we are not
deleting
deleting
anything, or
anything, or
we don't want to
we don't want
remove
to remove
anything here.
anything here.
So
So
now
now
you can see
you
a
can see
notice
a
status
notice
has been
status has been
detected, whatever,
detected, whatever,
whatever.
whatever.
Then you
Then
click
you
on
click on
yes,
yes,
continue. You just
continue.
want
You
to
just want to
continue.
continue.
Then you click
Then
on
you click
build.
on build.
I believe you
I
are
believe you
following,
are
please.
following, please.
Now,
Now
this is
this
building
is
the
building the
package.
package.
You need to wait
You
till
need to
this
wait
one
till
get
this
to
one gets to
100%.
100%.
We're in 50
We're in 50
something,
something,
59, whatever,
59,
whatever
whatever,
now.
whatever now.
This one is
This one
one
is one
method.
method.
The other
The other
method is
method is
manual.
manual.
But this one
But this
is
one is
simple and
simple and
okay, sir.
okay, sir.
Ah.
Ah,
If
if
the local
the
server is
local
not
server is not
working,
working,
there's no
there's
way
no
you can
way you
install
can
the
install the
plugin.
plugin.
So
So
your
your
XAMPP
XAMPP
or WAMP
or
must
WAMP
be
must be
active.
active.
No, now
No,
let me just
let
say
me just say
this one
this
is
one
doing
is
this
doing this
locally now.
locally now.
The only
The only
thing
thing
I did
I
that
did that
required internet the other
required
time
internet the other
was
time was
installing the
installing the
plugin.
plugin.
But
But
locally, this is
locally, this
running
is
locally
running
now,
locally
like
now, like
local server.
local server.
I'm
I'm
connected to the
connected to
internet
the
based
internet
on
based on
we are
we are
connected to
connected
other
to other
locations.
locations.
Yes,
Yes,
you can
you can
install the
install
duplicator, then you
duplicator, then you
disconnect from
disconnect from
internet.
internet.
It will
It
still
will
work
still work
because that
because
is
that is
dealing with
dealing with
your
your
local
local
files and
files and
everything on your
everything on
PC,
your
not
PC, not
internet.
internet.
This will
This
just
will just
package
package
just like
just like
putting everything
putting everything
together,
together
and you
and
tie
you
it,
tie it,
you put it
you put it
down.
down.
Okay, someone
Okay,
else will
someone else
carry
will
it.
carry it.
So
So
that's just the
that's just
function
the
of this
function
one.
of this one.
This is
This
taking
is
much
taking
time, or
much
what is
time.
going
What
on?
is going on?
So
So
we need to wait,
we need to wait.
but before
But
this,
before this,
we just
we
need to at
just need
least
to at least
do two
do
things together.
two things together.
Now you need to go
Now
to
you
your
need to go to your
cPanel.
cPanel.
Please pay
Please pay
attention.
attention.
You come to
You come
this,
to this,
you can see
you can see
databases or
databases
something
or
like that.
something like that.
Then you
Then
create
you create
new.
new.
You can see
You
my
can see my
database.
database.
If you come to
If you
this
come to this
place,
place,
click here.
click here.
You see the
You see
option.
the
Even if
option.
you look
Even
at
if you
the
look
other
at the
one,
other
which is
one, which is
Ionos,
Ionos,
the other
the
first
other
one that
first
I
one that I
logged
logged
into,
into,
you can see
you
the
can see
option
the
of
option of
create a
create a
database. You can
database.
see
You
it
can
here.
see it here.
You just need
You
to
just
create
need to
a
create a
database here
database here
or here.
or
Now
here.
coming to this
Coming to
place,
this place,
then
then
we
we
you can
you
see
can see
create new
create new
database.
database.
We put
We put
name.
name.
One, this
One,
is
this
shared
is shared
hosting.
hosting.
It will
It will
always
always
attach a
attach a
prefix
prefix
to our
to our
database.
database.
We are not working on
We are not
local
working on local
server now. You can
server now.
see,
You can see,
according
according
to
to
on this very
on this
server,
very
I'm not
server,
the only
I'm not the
one on
only
it.
one on it.
We have
We have
many
many
websites
websites
attached to this
attached
very
to this
server.
very server.
But just
But
like
just like
creating
creating
spaces for
spaces
people.
for
Okay,
people.
this is
Okay,
your own
this is your
space
own
on this
space on
server
this server
that you
that
work
you
on.
work on.
Just like
Just
that
like
table
that
there,
table
we
there,
have
we have
that table
that table
or this very
or this
one,
very
we
one.
have
We have
side by
side
side.
by
That's how
side.
we
That's
have
how we have
all this
all
shared
this
hosting
shared
like that.
hosting like that.
So
So
your
your
database,
database,
you have the
you have the
prefix of
prefix
your
of your
site name
site name
attached to it.
attached to it.
Now
Now
let me
let
set
me set
AM
AM
corner
corner
as my
as my
name
name
or the name
or
of
the
the
name of the
database here,
database here.
and
And
you create
you
on.
click on,
You click on
you click
create
on create
database.
database.
I'll still go
I'll
back
still
to
go
that
back
one.
to
I
that
don't
one.
want to
I don't want
waste
to waste
time
time
waiting
waiting
for
for
the
the
package of the
package
thing
of the thing
to
to
at least
at
to
least
build.
to build.
Here,
Here
you click
you
on
click on
create
create
database.
database.
Mind you, you need
Mind
to at
you,
least
you need to at
know
least
this name,
know this name.
skills
Skills
L1
L1
underscore
underscore
AM corner.
AM corner.
You can see
You
it
can see
together.
it together.
Can you see
Can
it?
you see it? Is that skills auto-generated?
That
That
skills is
skills is
auto-generated
auto-generated
according to the
according to the
site name,
site name,
because I'm
because
working
I'm
on a
working on a
shared
shared
hosting now.
hosting now.
Now you can
Now
see
you
it.
can see it.
The
Added
added database
database
skills.
skills.
Now let me
Now let
copy
me
this
copy
name
this name
because
because
I don't want
I don't want
anything to
anything to
disturb me.
disturb me.
Now
Now
we have
we
this.
have this.
Then the next
Then the
thing we are
next
going
thing
to
we are
do
going
is
to do is
we need to
we
add a
need to
user
add a
to
user
this
to this
database.
database.
Now
Now
you can see
you
we
can
have
see we have
database AM
database AM
corner
corner
and co
and
and
co and
co and
co and
something like that.
something like that.
So the next
So
thing is
the
we
next thing
need to
is we need
add.
to add.
You can see
You can see
MySQL
MySQL
users.
users.
Um,
Um,
add new user
add
if you
new
want to
user
add
if
new
you want to add
user,
new
and if you
user,
want
and
to
if you want
add
to
user to
add user to
database.
database.
Now I want
Now
to
I
add
want to add
this
this
admin
admin
to
to
this new
this new
database.
database.
I believe you are
I believe
following
you are
these
following
steps.
these steps.
Or am I
Or
moving
am
too
I moving
fast?
too fast?
I'm so slow.
So slow.
So now you click on
Now you
add.
click on add.
Depends on the
Depends on
database
the
you want to
database
add
you want
user
to add
to.
user to.
Because by
Because by
default,
default,
the
the
database we
database we
created
create
doesn't have any user name
doesn't have any
or
user
password
name
like
or
that. And it
password
won't
like
function
that.
without any
And it
user to
won't function
manage it.
without any user to manage it.
So you click on
So
add.
you click on add.
I don't even know the password of that
I
admin
don't
again,
even know the password
but
of
I
that
will at
admin
least
again.
set it again.
But I
Now
will
the
at least
next
set
thing
it
is you
again.
need to at
Now
least
the next thing is we need
give
to
the
at least
privilege of this
give the privilege
I
of
mean
this
user to, I mean, let me just say you need to at least
user
assign
to,
all
I mean,
these
let me just say you
privileges
need to
to
at least
that
assign
friend
all these
user to
privileges to
manage this
that friend
database.
user
That
to
is
manage
true.
this database. That is
Create
true.
or alter tables
Create
and co like
or
that.
alter
Defense,
tables and co
delete,
like that.
index, lock
Defense,
tables and
delete,
co.
index, lock
Insert.
tables and co.
So you need to make
Insert.
these
So you
changes.
need to make these changes.
Then
Then
so that the
so
user will
that
be
the
able to
user will be
manage
able to
this
manage this
database.
database.
But I don't know the
But I don't know
password
the
again.
password
You
again.
need to
You
at
need
least
to at least
reset
reset
the
the
password.
password.
It's been a
It's
while
been a
since
while
I
since I
used that
used that
database or
database or
stuff.
stuff.
Now let me
Now
come
let
back
me
to
come
this
back to this
package.
package.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
We have this
We have this
package completed.
package
Please, I'm
completed.
working on
Please,
both
I'm
sides
working
at the
on
same
both
time
sides at the same time
because of time. We have
because of
just like
time.
around maybe
We have
15 minutes or so.
just
But I want to cover the other
minutes or so.
piece.
I want to
Maybe the
cover the
moderator will
other
give me
piece.
like extra time. I need
Maybe the
it.
moderator will give me like extra
Please.
time. I need it.
Okay. I need the
Please.
time, please. Just to
Okay.
at least cover
I need the time,
this very
please.
side, and
Just to at least
maybe
cover
we proceed to
this
something
very
else.
side, and
If we connect online the
maybe
other,
we
I
proceed
mean,
to
some other
something
day.
else if we connect online the other
So
some other.
we need to download.
So we need to download.
No, not my own. My battery is full.
No, not my battery is full.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we
So now
download
we download
both files
both files
here
here
because we
because
need
we
this
need this
installer as well.
installer as well.
Now we don't need to
Now
at
we
least
don't need
work
to
on
at
this
least work
thing
on
again.
this
Let me
thing
check
again. Let me
my
check my
Internet
Internet
Explorer.
Explorer.
I mean Internet
I mean
Download
Internet
Manager.
Download
Okay,
Manager.
we have
Okay,
it
we have
here.
it here.
Let me
Let me
open
open
this
the
the container folder.
container
Open
folder.
folder.
Open folder.
So this is
So
the
this is the
file.
file.
Let me
Let
copy.
me
I want to
copy. I
copy
want to
this to
copy this
my
to my
desktop.
desktop.
I don't want it to
I don't
be
want it to
here.
be here.
Then we are going
Then
to
we are going to
extract it
extract it
because this
because
is
this is
two files
two
in
files
one.
in one.
Or maybe we can just
Or maybe
upload
we
it
can just
together like
upload
that
it
and then
together like that
extract
and
it.
then extract
Let
it.
me leave it
Let me leave it.
as a whole here.
As a
We
we
paste
paste
here.
here.
Okay, we have it
Okay, we have it
already.
ready.
Now,
Now,
let me
let
come
me
back
come back
to my,
to
where
my,
is it?
where is it?
The C panel of it.
The C panel of it.
Since I
Since
clicked
I
on this
clicked
one,
on this one,
it's done
it's done
already,
already.
but I just
But
want
I
to be
just want to
sure.
be sure.
Okay,
Okay.
you can see you
You
have
can see you have
saved
saved
skills
skills
one
one
underscore whatever
underscore
whatever.
whatever whatever.
Now we
Now
go
we
back
go back
a bit
a bit
because I want to
because I want
reset
to
the
reset the
admin
admin
password.
password.
I don't know the
I don't know
password
the
again,
password again.
so I need to
So
go
I need
back
to
to
go
that
back
very
to that
place.
very place.
And the next
And the
thing
next
is we
thing
are going
is
to
we are going
push
to
this
push this
file
file
to that
to that
AM corner.
AM corner.
So
So
where is it?
where is it?
My
My
users.
users.
So
All right, you have an additional 30 minutes.
okay, thank you, sir.
Uploading.
Thank you, sir. So we need to
So we
change
need to change
this
this
password.
password.
Now let me
Now
put
let me
something
put
here.
something here.
Okay,
Okay.
let me
Let
just
me just
set
set
something.
something.
Okay,
Okay.
now
Now
change password.
change
If you
password. If you
generate
generate
password, mind
password,
you,
mind you,
if you
if you
generate
generate
password,
password,
always copy
always
that
copy that
password and
password
save
and save
to
to
avoid
avoid
changing
changing
password
password
always.
always.
So
So
now we have this,
now this,
and the next thing
and
is
the
we
next
are
thing
going
is
to
we are going to
upload that very
upload
file at
that
least
very
we
file at least we
created from that
created
duplicator of everything.
from that
Sorry.
duplicator of everything. Sorry.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
The moment you are
The moment
migrating
you are migrating
to
to
live
live
server,
server,
that
that
one
one
is on your
is on
local
your
server.
local server.
Then you need to
Then
at
you need
least
to at least
inject another
inject another
password,
password,
which is
which
for the
is for
live
the live
database
database
to it.
to it.
Now we have
Now we have
set the
set the
password. The next
password.
thing
The
is
next thing
we are
is
going to
we are going
upload
to
our
upload our
content.
content.
You can see
You
you
can
have
see you have
successfully
successfully
set
set
this
this
user's
user's
password.
password.
Can you see this
Can you see
screen?
the screen?
Then we
Then
click
you
on
click on
OK.
OK.
The next
The
thing
next
is
thing
we are
is
going
we are
to
going to
upload.
upload.
Now let me
Now let me
open this
open
place,
this please,
which is AM
which is
corner. We
AM
have two
corner. We have two
methods
methods
of
of
uploading here.
uploading here.
We can
We
drag
can
and drop
drag
the
and drop
file
the
here
file here
on
on
upload. When you
upload.
click
When
on
you
this
click on this
upload
upload
button
button
here,
here,
this will
this will
open this
open this
page,
page,
and you can
and
pick
you
your
can pick
file
your
and
file
drop
and
here,
drop here,
or you click
or
on
you
this
click on this
select file,
select file,
then you
then you
navigate to that
navigate to
very
that
file
very
and
file
pick it.
and pick it.
And
And
you
you
can use
can use
FTP,
FTP.
but now I
But
don't
now
want
I
to
don't
waste
want to
time
waste time
because I need
because I
to
need
go
to
and
go
set
and
the
set the
FTP account
FTP
again
account
and go
again
like
and
that
go
because
like
I don't
that
even know
because
the
I don't even know
password
the
again.
password.
So
So
I can
I
come
can come
here.
here.
Let me
Let me
minimize this.
minimize this.
Pick this
Pick
file.
this file.
Where is my
Where is my
browser?
browser?
You click on the
Click on the
icon here,
icon
then you
here. Then
drop
you
it here.
drop it here.
You can see
You can
this
see
is
this is
uploading.
uploading.
Then after
Then
uploading
after
this,
uploading this,
let me just
let me
wait.
just wait.
You need to
You need to
extract.
extract.
This will extract
This will
the
extract the
file,
file,
and
and
you come to
you
your
come to your
browser. You
browser.
point to
You
that
point to
very
that very
what's it called?
what's it called?
That very file,
That
which
very
is
file, which is
you know that duplicator
that
created two
duplicator
files,
created two
the
files, the
installer.php and the
installer.php
main
and the
content.
main
Now to
content.
install this, we need to come to this browser. Let
Install
this one
this, we need
finish.
to come to
I'm
this
too
browser.
fast
Let
because I
this
have
one finish. I'm
limited time
too
left.
fast because I
The
have
other option, I
limited
don't know,
time
maybe I'll
left.
be able to
The
complete it,
other
but I will
option,
try
I don't know, maybe I will
as
be able
much
to
as possible
complete it, but
because
I will try
there are some
as much as
methods.
possible
Let me just
because
there's
there
some
are some
steps
methods. Let me
that
just
we have
there's some steps
at least
that we
taken
have
here that
at
we
least
just need
taken
to at
here
least repeat in that very one. So
that
we
we
need
just
to
need to
skip
at
it.
least
Like the
repeat in that
database
very one. So
creation,
we need to
we
skip
create
it. Like the
database on the
database
live server
creation,
the same way.
we
You
create
set the user,
database on the live
then
server the
you
same way. You
export
set the
your
user, then you
database
export
manually,
your database
not
manually,
the duplicator doing everything for us.
not the
Then
duplicator doing
you
everything
pack
for
your
us.
content in
Then you
zip
pack your
file,
content
you
in
upload
zip
it as well.
file, you
Then
upload it as well.
when you upload it, you
Then
extract,
when you
and
upload
after
it, you
extracting, you
extract,
set your
and
the
after
only
extracting, you set your the only
tricky part is setting the
tricky part
what's it
is
called,
setting
the
the
username, the
what's
password,
it
and the
called,
links.
the username,
By
the
default,
password, and the
this will
links.
at least
By
move
default,
some
this will at least
local
move
address
some
to the live server,
local
which
address
will
to
make
the
the
live
website
server,
break.
which will make
You
the
just need to at
website
least
break.
modify all those
You
things.
just need to at least
Now we
modify all
come to
those
this
things.
place. We have this
Now we
uploaded.
come to this place.
Let me
We
come
have
back
this
to this
uploaded.
my folder.
Let me come back
Let
to
me
this my
reload.
folder. Let me reload.
Then here.
Then
Now we
here.
have this here. The
Now
next
we
thing we
have
are going
this
to
here.
do,
The next
at
thing we are
least,
going to do,
who can remind
at
me
least,
of the next step?
who can
So
remind
that
me
it won't be
of the
like
next
is
step?
like
So
I'm
that it
just
won't be
dumping
like
everything.
this. I mean, like
I
I'm
mentioned
just
it
dumping
already.
everything. I mentioned it already.
Fine. I just want to know
Fine.
maybe
I just
I'm
want to know
just
maybe
speaking
just
stretchy since morning.
speaking
Now,
stretchy since morning. Now,
on the WordPress
on the
dashboard,
WordPress
that's
dashboard,
where I carried out
that's
all
where I
this.
carried out all this.
Let me just say,
Let me just say,
the duplicator,
the
that is, I have the
duplicator,
copy
that
of the
is, I have the
website and
copy of the
everything like that.
website and everything like that.
Or I don't know what you
Or I
are
don't know what you are
saying.
saying.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you can.
Yes, you can.
Your question
Your
is
question
not
is not
straightforward.
straightforward.
Eh?
Eh?
I don't
I don't
know how to at
know how
least
to
go
at
like this.
least go
Just
like this.
ask
Just
me
ask me
directly.
directly.
Is it from
Is it
local
from
host of
local
server
to
or
server
what?
or
I don't
what? I don't
understand.
understand.
Yes,
Yes,
I have the
I have the
downloaded file
downloaded file
on my
on my
PC.
PC.
Then, during
Then,
the course
during
of
the course of
uploading,
uploading,
I pick the
I pick the
file
file
from where
from
I
where I
have the
have the
copy.
copy.
Then I
Then
drop
I
it on the
drop it on the
browser
browser
on that
on
area
that
that
area that
states that I
states
should
that
at
I
least
should at
drag
least
and
drag
drop the
and drop the
file or
file or
select.
select.
Then
Then
the
the
whole
whole
thing
thing
was done
was
by the
done by
browser
the
of the
browser of
thing.
the
Doing,
thing.
the
The
uploading stuff
uploading stuff
with their
with their
script.
script.
And the next
And the
thing
next
is
thing is
I'm trying
I'm
to
trying to
extract.
extract.
Now we are
Now
going to
we
extract
are going to
everything to
extract
this
everything
very
to this
folder.
very
You can see
folder.
it,
You can
which
see it,
is
which is
inside the
inside
public
the public
HTML
HTML
slash AM
slash
corner.
AM corner.
You click on
Click on
extract
extract
files.
files.
After
After
extracting this
extracting
thing,
this thing,
we are going to
we are going to
delete this
delete
very
this
one
very one
here.
here.
And before
And
that,
before
you
that,
know,
you know,
we need to
we
know
need to
our
know our
database name.
database name.
Seems I
Seems
still
I
have
still have
maybe
maybe
skills
skills
L1
L1
underscore,
underscore,
yeah,
yeah,
the name,
the
which is
name, which is
American corner.
American corner.
We are going to
We are
make
going to
use of
make
all
use of
these
all these
things one
things
by
one
one.
by one.
We need to wait
We
for
need to
this
wait for this
extraction to at
extraction
least
to at least
finish
finish
before we can
before we can
proceed to
proceed
something else.
to something else.
So under
So
20 minutes,
under
I need to
20 minutes,
explain
I
the
need to
other
explain the other
steps as
steps
well.
as well.
But
But
if
if
we have
we have
uploaded the
uploaded the
content
content
already to the
already
live
to the
server,
live server,
now this
now this
extraction of a
extraction
thing
of a
or
thing or
extracting
extracting
is being
is
done
being
on
done
the
on the
live server.
live
We are
server. We are
extracting into the
extracting into the
folder I
folder I
created the other
created the
time,
other
which
time,
is
which is
AM corner.
AM corner.
So
So
that
that
is, I
is,
mean, this is
this
the
is the
steps.
steps.
I mean, these
I
are
mean,
the
these are
steps
the
to
steps
take
to take
to have
to
your
have your
copy.
copy.
This is
This
simple and
is simple and
straightforward.
straightforward.
But because
But
we are in
because we are
a,
in a,
let us assume
let's
that I'm just
assume that I'm
working
just
on,
working
by
on, by
now,
now,
at least
at least
everything will be
everything will be
up and
up
running.
and running.
It will just
to
remain
just remain
modification. If
modification.
you're on
If
your
you're on
own, it
your
will be
own,
so
it will be
fast
so
without
fast
any
without any
explanation, or
explanation, or
if the
if
network
the
is
network is
fast.
fast.
So the
So
next thing
the next
is,
thing is,
let me at
let
least
me at least
prepare ahead.
prepare ahead.
Let me use
Let me
this
use this
box here.
box here.
Now we need
Now
to
we need
come
to
to this
come to
place,
this
which is
place, which is
skillslab.com.ng
skillslab.com.ng
slash
slash
am
am
corner.
corner.
Here will be
Here
the
will
name
be
of
the
your
name of your
website.
website.
I mean the
I mean
domain
the
name
domain name
altogether.
altogether.
You know,
You
I'm
know, I'm
working on,
working on,
inside
inside
another folder,
another
which is
folder, which is
subfolder. Now I'm not
subfolder. Now
working
I'm not working
directly
directly
on this
on this
hosting
hosting
stuff.
stuff.
That is why
That is
I
why
have
I
this
have
AM
this
corner.
AM corner.
By
By
default,
default,
if
if
it is a
it is
single
a single
website
website
you are
you
working
are
on,
working on,
you just need
you
to
just need to
dump it
dump it
directly
directly
inside your
inside your
domain name.
domain name.
That is your
That is
hosting
your hosting
account
account
without any
without any
subfolder or
subfolder
anything
or
like that.
anything like that.
So
So
let me check
let me
this.
check this.
So
So
the next
the
thing
next thing
is
is
still
still
extracting.
extracting.
Why?
Why?
So
So
slash
slash
defining, which
defining,
is
which is
installer
installer
dot
dot
php.
php.
Now we
Now
need to
we need
wait
to wait
for the
for the
extraction to at
extraction
least
to at least
complete.
complete.
Why? This is please,
Please,
whenever you are
whenever you are
extracting
extracting
or
or
moving
moving
files and co
files
like
and
that,
co
you
like
don't
that,
need
you
to
don't need to
refresh.
refresh.
You leave
You leave
as long as
as
the
long as the
network is
network is
connected.
connected.
You leave it
You
that
leave it
way
that way
till
till
the something
something
complete.
complete.
Now
Now
I don't want to
I don't
combine
want to
two things
combine two
together,
things together.
but
But
the
the
procedures that we
procedures
need
that we
in the
need
next
in
the
the
second
next
step.
the second step.
One, the
One, the
database.
database.
You need to at
You need
least
to at
know
least
how we
know how
created
we
the
created the
database.
database.
That is number
That is
one
number
thing,
one thing,
because we are
because
still
we are
going to
still
need
going
it.
to need it.
But I don't
But I
need
don't
to
need
repeat
to
that
repeat that
again,
again
since we
since
have
we have
created the
created the
database
database
already.
already.
And
And
you come
you
to
come to
your
your
WordPress file,
WordPress
I mean the
file, I mean
location
the
on
location
your
on your.
let me just
Let
wait
me
for
just
this
wait
one
for
to
this one
finish,
to finish,
so that
so
at
that
least
at
I
least I
won't just
won't just
mix it up.
mix it up.
To me,
To
I
me, I
understand all the
understand all
steps,
the
but
steps, but
as
as
beginners, I need to
beginners,
at
I
least
need to at least
explain
explain
everything bit
everything
by
bit
bit.
by bit.
But this is
But this
taking
is
time.
taking time.
Let me
Let
come
me
back to
come back
this place.
to this
I
place.
want to see
I want to see
if the
if
something
the
is.
something is.
Now let me
Now
go
let
back.
me go back.
I just want
I
to
just
check
want to
maybe
check
something
maybe
is
something is
extracting or not.
extracting or not.
You can come
You
to
can
your
come to your
file
file
manager here,
manager here,
public.
public.
Then,
Then,
sorry, please, you
sorry,
are
please, you
tired,
are
right?
tired, right?
Sorry.
Sorry.
You that you are
You that you
sitting
are
down. What
sitting
about
down.
me
What
that have
about
been
me that have been
standing
standing
since?
since?
Yes, now.
Yes, now.
You are
You are
tired.
tired.
Yeah. Don't be like
Don't be
me.
like
I only spend 30
spend
minutes in
30 minutes
class.
in class.
Yeah, the something is
Yeah, something
extracting.
is extracting.
Let me
Let me
see if
see if
it's
it's
complete or
complete
not.
or not.
Okay,
Okay,
done, I
done,
think.
I think.
Now,
Now,
where is
where
my
is my
installer?
installer? Is to my first folder.
This is
This is
database.
database.
This thing is
This
not
thing is
complete.
not complete.
Or is this
Or is
still
this still
extracting?
extracting?
I'm yet to
I'm yet
see
to see
the.
the.
No.
Mhm.
Okay, let me just
Let
try
me
and
just
see.
try
But
and
I'm
see.
yet to
But
see
I'm
the
yet to
file
see the
here,
file
but
here, but
I don't know.
I
Maybe
don't know.
I've
Maybe
done
I've done
something.
something.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
not
it's
there.
not there.
This
This
installer is
installer is
PHP. I
PHP.
mean,
I
the
mean, the
MySQL
MySQL
database.
database.
You can see
You
it.
can see it.
So the
So the
installer.php is not
installer.php is not
here.
here.
Let me come
Let
back
me
to
come
this
back
my
to this my
local
local
package of
package
written.
of written.
I don't
I
want to
don't
waste
want to
time
waste
here
time here
again.
again.
Okay,
Okay,
fine. Let me
fine. Let
click
me click
here.
here.
There's a
There
workaround
is a
for this
workaround
thing.
for this
Let
thing.
me see
Let me
if
see if
this thing is
this thing
having
is
the.
having the.
Is there anything
Is
like
there anything like
installer here?
installer here?
No.
No.
Mm-mm. What is going on?
What's going on?
Sir?
So
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
just
I'm
considering
just
time.
considering time.
Let me check here.
Let me check here.
Okay, you can see
Okay, you
this
can see
main
this main
installer.php.
installer.php.
Now this
Now
thing did not
this
even
thing
complete
did
the
not
stuff.
even complete the stuff.
Let me go back.
Let me go back.
Let me reload. Maybe this
Let
thing is
me
still
reload.
working on that.
Maybe this thing is still working on that.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
It has changed everything now.
That's changed
But
everything. But
let me come back to this place.
let me come back to this place.
We have
We
another
have
subfolder
another
inside, right?
subfolder inside,
Which
right?
is
Which
it dupe installer
is
or
it
something
Duke
like that?
installer or something like that?
Dupe
Duke
underscore
underscore
installer. Okay, let me just make use of
installer.
this one.
Okay, let me just make use of this one.
Slash
Slash
main
main
dot installer
dot installer
dot php. Let me
dot
try
php.
this
Let me try this
and see.
and see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
let me just say
let
the
me just say the
duplicator changed
duplicator changed
everything.
everything.
Just
Just
I don't
I
know,
don't know,
but
but
normally it
normally
used to
it
be
used to be
slash
slash
installer. Then
installer. Then
you are good to
you are
go.
good to go.
Or maybe
Or
I
maybe I
compress everything
compress
together
everything
to make
together
it
to make it
single file.
single file.
Before I
Before I
do
do
download the
download the
installer
installer
separately, the
separately,
main
the main
content
content
separately.
separately.
But because
But
of
because
time,
of time,
all you just
all
need
you
to
just
do
need to
is
do is
what's it called?
what's it called?
You
You
look
look
carefully for the
carefully for the
installer
installer
part.
part.
That is what we
That is
need.
what we need.
And
And
you select
you
your
select your
language.
language.
I'll still
I'll still
record another
record
video on
another
this.
video on this.
Then now
Then
the next
now
thing
the
is
next thing is
you need to
you
know the
need to know the
database
database
name and
name
co
and
and
co
everything
and
like that.
everything like that.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Now
Now
database
the
name, we have
database
it
name
as
we have it as
skills
skills
L1 Abi
L1 Abi
underscore
underscore
AM
AM
corner.
corner.
But mind you,
But
if you
mind
don't
you,
even
if you don't even
remember, you can
remember, you
go
can
back
go back
to your
to your
cPanel and look
cPanel
for
and look
it.
for it.
And
And
then
then
the
the
I only
I
remember
only
the
remember the
password,
password,
which is
which is
now I need
now
to
I
come
need to
back to
come
this
back to this
place
place
quickly.
quickly.
And
And
where is it?
where is it?
My
My
database
database
is
is
my
my
SQL stuff.
SQL stuff.
I just want
I
to
just
at
want to
least
at least
pick the
pick the
username.
username.
You can
You
at
can
least
at least
look for
look for
everything again.
everything
You
again.
cross
You
check.
cross
Maybe
check.
you are
Maybe
right
you are
or
right
wrong,
or wrong,
and just know
and just
that
know that
admin, maybe
admin,
skills
maybe
lab
skills lab
admin or
admin
something like that.
or something like
I
that.
just want to be
I just
sure.
want to be sure.
Now,
Now,
okay,
okay,
skills
skills
L
L
one on
one
I mean
on
underscore am
underscore
corner.
em corner.
Then the
Then the
admin.
admin.
Here is it.
Here is it.
Skills L
Skills L
admin. This
admin.
is the
This is the
username.
username.
You copy it
Copy
here.
it here.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Now,
Now,
this
this
table
table
prefix I don't
prefix I
need
don't
to.
need to.
Now I just
Now
need
I
to
just need to
click on
click on
submit.
submit.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
table
table
prefix must
prefix
not
must
be
not be
empty.
empty.
So
So
um
um,
okay, let me
okay,
put
let me
am.
put am.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can see
you
it.
can see it.
Run, you have
Run, you
made
have
it.
made it.
So
So
now run the
now run the
installation.
installation.
Now you
Now
set
you
the site
set the site
title
title
only if you
only
want.
if you want.
So
So
let me just
let me
put
just
am
put
corner,
am
just the
corner,
same
just
way,
the same
but
way,
it will
but
at
it
least
will at
move
least move
everything.
everything.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Username, let me
Username,
just
let me
put
just put
this.
this
Password,
password.
let me
Let me
just
just
the same
the
way.
same way.
Then you
Then
install
you install
WordPress.
WordPress.
Now you can see it.
Now you can see
We are
it.
done.
We are done.
Now let
Now
us
let us
check
check
our website.
our website.
Let me
Let
close
me
this
close this
and see
and
if
see if
we have
we have
something like
something like
skills lab
skills lab
slash
slash
am corner.
am corner view.
Let us see
Let us
if
see
we have
if we have
a
a
working
working
website
website
or
or
something else.
something else.
Why?
Why?
Is it still
Is it
loading
still
or
loading
just
or
blank
just blank
something? What's
something?
going on?
What's going on?
This is not
This
showing.
is not showing.
Now let
Now
me
let me
log into
log
this
into this
stuff
stuff
here
here
and
and
see if
see if
we have the
we have the
WordPress
WordPress
deal
deal
and where we
and
have
where we
it.
have it.
This is
This
why
is
I
why
believe
I
so
believe
much
so
in
much in
what's it called?
what's it called?
Manual
Manual
method.
method.
Cookies are
Cookies are
blocked or not
blocked or not
supported by your
supported by your
browser. You
browser. You
must
must
enable
enable
cookies, whatever,
cookies wherever,
whatever.
wherever.
I have
I have
this working already.
it's working already.
Okay,
Okay.
Firefox.
Firefox.
Please, sorry,
Please, sorry.
this
This
is
is
a bit
a bit
tricky, I
tricky,
know,
I know,
but we just
but we
need to
just
at
need
least
to at
do
least
this.
do this.
Um,
Um,
skills,
skills
skillslab.com.ng
skillslab.com.ng
slash
slash
am
am
corner.
corner.
Okay,
Okay.
this is
This
showing
is
blank.
showing
We
blank.
need to
We
at
need
least
to at
fix
least fix
this.
this.
Mm, sorry.
Sorry.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
the
the
duplicator messed up.
duplicator messed up.
This is
This
just
is just
empty
empty
website.
website.
Some use
Some
this,
use this,
but
but
let me just say once in a while. Now we just need to, if you want to do it again, you just need to go over again and use the duplicator again to do it the second time. Now this is empty website completely. The duplicator copied just empty stuff, WordPress, without the content. Now let me just use this few minutes to at least do the manual method. If you want to use the duplicator again, if you try it the second time, you may be lucky and have it. It will copy the something. I think this is straightforward, right? But the manual method now, you just need to, let me do it quickly. Let me delete this content, all this, everything on this stuff. So I'll come to this, my file manager, and everything inside the AM corner. Where is it? Up one level. Okay, fine. Everything here, let me just select all. Then, where's my trash? Move to, where is it? Okay, delete. I want to delete it permanently. And now let me go to my folder where I have it. Sorry, where I have my website, which is local disk C, then XAMPP. Then I told you we have it inside htdocs. Then this AM corner, and I just right click. Then add to archive. Where is it? This. Now we need to pick zip, which is am corner.zip. Then we create this under few minutes, and we are still going to make use of the database that we created the other time. All we just need to do now is I'll go to that place as well, clear everything out, have it as empty database. Now we have the stuff. Let me reload this. Maybe I have still deleting. Select or delete. Okay, fine. Now I want to upload. Let me upload that zip file that I created. Sorry, my voice is changing or cracking already. You need to locate your file. Please pay attention. Just be following. I can't be explaining everything due to time. But all these steps, where is it? We have the AM corner. Fine, you can see it. We pick this here. This is manual method, and I so much believe in this one because you copy everything yourself. All you just need to do is set the links. Now this is like 200 megabytes or so. Now let me go back to the database. On your local host, that's number one place you are going to work. You come to this place. Sorry. Let me just come to this place. I don't have anything to do here again. Localhost / php my admin. You know, I mentioned this the other day. That happened to be okay. I mentioned this last week and even the first week. Okay. Now we have this database. If you click on this very one, we are going to export everything here. You click on this database, then you come to export. As SQL, not any format. You don't need to change anything. And you can see this now, quick. Display only the minimal options and call like that. So just export. You can see this
You
is
can see this
simple,
is
but
simple,
we are
but
going to
we
get
are
to
going to
the
get to the
side that is
side
somehow
that
tricky
is
and cool like that,
somehow
where you
tricky
need to
and cool
change
like
some
that,
things in
where you
your.
need to some things in your.
Now we save this as AM
Now we
corner.
save this as EM corner.
This we download.
This we download.
Now the next
Now
step,
the next
we
step,
have this
we have
copy
this
already.
copy already.
Abi?
Abi?
And
And
the next
the
thing
next
is
thing
let me
is
come
let
to
me
my
come to my
live
live
server
server
here
here
and
and
okay, let me
okay, let me
on my shared
on my
hosting,
shared
sorry,
hosting, sorry.
I need to
I need
click on
to
PHP my
click on
admin as
PHP my
well.
admin as
Let me
well.
move back a
Let me
bit,
move back
just
a
one
bit,
step back,
just one step back.
or let me just click on C
Let me
panel.
just
I
click
believe
on
you are
C
following,
panel.
please.
I believe you are
I
following,
have
please. I
few
have
minutes left.
few minutes left.
On a normal
On
day,
a normal day,
it says
it
just
says
20
just
minutes,
20
but
minutes.
now I have
I
20
have
minutes.
50 minutes.
So
So
here we
here
have
we have
PHP my
PHP my
admin. Where
admin.
is it?
Where is it?
Okay,
Okay.
you click
You
here.
click here.
Now I will empty
Now
that
I will
first
empty that
database
first database
that I use for the
that I use for the
duplicator because I'm
duplicator
still going
because
to
I'm
use
still
it
going to
again.
use it again.
Oh, fast, fast,
Fast,
fast,
fast, fast,
fast.
fast.
Now let
Now
me check.
let me
Maybe
check.
we have
Maybe we have
everything
everything
uploaded
uploaded
already.
already.
No, I'm not
No, I'm
using
not
this.
using this.
Okay,
Okay,
done.
done.
This is
This is
uploaded.
uploaded.
Please,
Please,
I'm
I'm
shooting so
shooting
many
so many
shots
shots
just
just
to at least have
to at
everything
least have
done at
everything
the same
done
time
at the same time.
with limited.
It's
Now
limited. Now
we need to
we
extract
need to
this
extract
just the
this
same way
just the
we
same way
extracted
we
the other
extracted
one.
the other one.
Now we
Now
extract
we
it to
extract it
AM
to
corner.
EM corner.
As this
As
one is
this one is
going,
going,
we are
we are
extracting
extracting
here. So
here.
I'm going
So
to
I'm
the
going to the
second
second
tab. Okay,
tab.
now
Okay,
this is
now this
done.
is done.
Let me reload
Let me
this.
reload this.
Now
Now
I don't want
I
to
don't
have
want
it
to have
inside
it
this
inside
folder.
this folder.
I just need
I
to
just need to
select everything
select
and move
everything
it
and
up.
move it up.
Select,
Select,
then move
then move
this.
this.
You can see
You
we
can
have
see we
AM
have
corner
AM corner
inside AM
inside
corner,
AM
so
corner,
we
so
don't need
we
to
don't
have
need
it
to have
here.
it here.
I'm moving
I'm
it here
moving it here
directly.
directly.
Then up
Then
one
up
level.
one level.
Then I will
Then I
delete
will delete
this.
this.
I believe you
I
are
believe you
following,
are following,
please.
please.
This is
This
manual
is manual
method,
method.
and
And
this zip
this
file
zip
as
file
well. I
as
will
well, I
delete
will
this.
delete
Where is
this.
it?
Where is it?
Now, where's
Now,
my
where's
PHP
my
my
PHP my
admin?
admin?
Okay,
Okay,
let me
let
close
me close
this.
this.
Please, I'm
Please, I'm
rushing
rushing
due
due
to
to
time.
time.
Please.
Please.
Eh?
Eh?
From
From
him.
him.
Okay.
Okay.
The system will
The
redirect
system will
you in a
direct you in
moment.
a
I'm
moment.
still
I'm
waiting
still
for
waiting for
who goes
who
to at
goes to
least
at least
push me to
push me
the
to the
PHP my
PHP my
admin.
admin.
Now you
Now you
see,
see,
now we have,
now we have,
this is what
this
we
is
want to
what we
use.
want to
The
use. The
database we
database
created
we
the other
created the
time,
other
which is
time, which is AR's
keys
keys
L1
L1
underscore
underscore
AM corner.
AM corner.
Let me
Let me
click here
click
now.
here now.
I will
I
delete
will
this,
delete this,
then I will
then I will
import
import
that one that I
that one that I
created.
created.
I believe you
I
are
believe you
following
are
me, or
following
this
me, or
is
this
getting
is
tricky.
getting tricky.
I know
I
I'm
know
moving
I'm
too
moving
fast.
too fast.
This is not
This is not
magic.
magic.
If you sit
If you
down
sit
with your
down with your
system
system
and you
and
sit
you sit
down,
down,
when you pay
when you pay
attention, you
attention,
do
you do
everything even
everything
without
even without
much
much
something
something
stress,
stress,
or
or
maybe
maybe
just
you just
this is
this
simple.
is simple.
So let
So
me
let me
select
select
everything,
everything,
check all,
check all,
then I will
then I
drop
will
all
drop
this.
all this.
Now
Now
drop
drop
everything here.
everything here.
Delete
Delete
in
in
MySQL of a thing is
MySQL
called
everything
a
is called
drop.
a drop.
Now
Now
I click
I
on
click on
yes.
yes.
Now I
Now
have,
I have
if
if
I don't know,
I
maybe
don't
I
know,
still
maybe
have
I still
something
have
left
something left
inside it.
inside it.
If I
If
still
I
have
still have
something, I
something,
still
I
need to
still need
drop
to
it as
drop
well.
it as well.
Then
Then
after the
after
empty
the empty
stuff,
stuff,
on a normal
on
day
the
we
normal
need
day
to
we
create
need to
another
create
day. Okay,
another day.
fine.
Okay, fine.
We have it
We have
empty
it
now.
empty now.
The next
The
thing we are
next
going
thing
to
we are
do,
going to
by
do,
default,
by
when
default, when
the other time
the
that
other
we
time that we
created
created
this
this
very
very
database,
database,
it was
it was
empty.
empty.
It was that duplicator that created all these tables and columns and everything like that. So I decided to at least delete everything. Now we need to import the database, the one that I export the other time. Now click here, choose file. Under my downloads, yeah, downloads or whatever you have the something. This is it. You have am corner, .sql. Then you open. Now you just need to click on import. You don't need to set anything here. Only if you are advanced user of MySQL. But as a beginner, just import. But if you study anything or maybe you know anything about SQL and you want to manipulate anything, I don't want to go into MySQL here now fully because we don't have much time. But the basic stuff that you need: import, export, delete. We are going to add this. Now we have this running. This is loading here. You can see it. It's loading. Now it will import everything. So the next thing is, now we have the file. Now you can see it. Import has been successfully finished. So if you click here now, you have all your tables and everything like that. Mind you, now we have everything here, and we need to do something here now to have this our website running. One, we are going to manipulate, work on the file, and here we are going to work on this table as well, which is WP options. And you can see it. You can see site URL here, the first one here. You need to edit. Now, this is why I say this is manual method, and you need to do some things manually. But this is so straightforward to me. We can come to this place and put. Am I on SSL? I don't even know. Maybe the something is locked. Okay, fine. Where is it? Oh, okay. HTTPS. skillslab.com.ng/am corner. That is our website here. I believe you at least remember the folder name. So the next thing is you click on go. Fine. Now the next one is home. You do it the same way. You put your own something. Your domain name, not the example I used here. So skillslab.com.ng/am corner. Now you click on go as well. This is very, very important. Now we leave this way. I don't think we are changing anything for now here. Now let me come back to this my file manager. You can see where is my WP config. Okay, here you click on edit. You can see the manual method. Though to me, the manual method is so simple and straightforward. But for beginners, you may see it as this is tough or something like that. Here now, you can see this. Can you see this text here? You can see divine DB name. So the DB name here, which is database name, is skills. L1 Abi underscore. Am I right? Okay, underscore AM corner. And the username is skills. Sorry, skills L1. Is it underscore admin also? Admin. All you just want to do is you put your new database credentials here, the one on live server, and you are good to go. And mind you, your database host is still local host, even on live server. Only if the what's it called, hosting company asks you to use something else, but by default it is local host. So, and the password, on the local host we have empty password, but here since I don't even checking. Okay, now we update. You need to save these changes. Now let us try to log into the website and see if we are going to have this working, or maybe it will break. Error establishing database connection. That is, something is still wrong with the database. Now let me go back. The password. Let me check. I don't know. Sorry. All these things. This what's it called? Skills L1 underscore admin AM corner. Let me just come back to this place. Sorry, please, just like 2 minutes more or so, we are done. I just want to be sure of the. Sorry, I don't memorize everything like that. Okay, skills L1 AM corner, and then admin. Skills L1 admin. This is correct, or am I? Let me quickly modify this. Okay. Then the password. I mean, this username. Sorry, there's something here. Mind you, don't leave empty. I mean, let me just say space. Now, maybe the password is the error. Let me check again. And checking. Now let us retry. Sorry for my short memory of the database, everything about this stuff. Let us see. This is taking much time. Let us see what is happening. You can try it on your phone. Yeah. skillslab.com.ng/amcorner. Let us see if you are going to at least see it. lab.com.ng/amcorner. This is taking forever to load. .com.ng AM corner. If there's error, I believe we are going to see it. Still loading here.
Maybe the page is too, the site is too heavy.
It's not too heavy. .ng/AM corner. Yeah, I have loading here too. Okay, someone is. Yeah, we have it running. I think it's loading. Since my network is. So that is how to migrate your website. It's simple and straightforward. This is manual method. So since my network is slow, if your network is slow, the website is not so heavy. I think this is. It's loading. The name is showing here already. Huh? Huh? Yeah, you can see it. So now we just, some things are lost. I think maybe the something is, or based on being in hurry. So this is the site here now. The stuffs are still loading. You just need to at least upload everything on a very fast network. So that is how to migrate. I think, madam, the question is solved now. So this is the end of the class today. Huh? Yeah, I'll still record a video about this. And from the other hand, okay, someone asked about my WhatsApp number. Here is it. So, and the channel is here. You can search for art. You can search for this channel on YouTube. Just come to YouTube. Yes. So all the videos that I'll be uploading. My WhatsApp number is here. Sorry, this thing is not showing. Okay, I will show it now. Just come to YouTube and search for this. So I believe with that, please bear with me. If you ask me something and I'm not able to at least answer immediately, we used that account here last year for web of a thing as well. I was here last week. No signal. So here now you can search for this art. Okay. That hosting site? No. That's not my own stuff as well. Someone paid for the stuff. So as time goes on, if and only if I want to have a general something for everybody to practice, I will do that from my own pocket. On your own as a group, you can at least maybe contribute maybe 2,000 naira if you are 5 or 6. So this is, sir, please, I'll come back to that. For people at the other hand, this is the channel. Here I have just two videos already, and I think before this week ends, I will upload the other ones. Even this one I am recording my screen already, so at least I will push this one up raw, this very class raw like that. So you are going to have it here. So I think this is the end of the class. If you have anything to ask me again, but I'm tired of standing, I need to sit down. Okay, ma, you can go ahead.
What you say, I think we want to work our free hosting so we can practice what you just told us.
Most of the before we used to have a lot of free hosting stuffs like that, but there are still free hosting stuffs. But being a Nigerian, at times we have limited access to all these things. And secondly, some that are available, you have limited control of what you can. You don't just. I mean, you can't just do anything anyhow on the free hosting stuffs. So the best idea is you can form a group, maybe like 5 or 6, then you pay for. You have hosting of 11,000 something, or I think you contribute 2,000 naira, and you are good to go. Well, the domain, it will come with domain name. Yes, around 11 on Google host. I don't know, maybe they have increased the site, but I mean the price. But the present one that I just used, we paid 11,000 naira for it. And even 3 weeks ago, I mistakenly paid 11,000 naira again for another hosting. But I decided to cancel it because there's no need for it. So thanks everybody for the privilege given to me to at least to come forward to teach here. I appreciate it. Just privilege. Huh? Okay, sir. No. That's not. I'm done. Thank you, sir. From the other end, do you have anything to ask me, please? The WhatsApp number is here. And let me just show everything on the screen. Let me create something here. Is it? 36. Oh, sorry. 36339917. And YouTube WhatsApp. So, can you see my screen, please?
Yes.
Okay. So we can both learn together, and with time, I think we are still going to have professionals among you, even not ordinarily on WordPress or something, on some IT field as well. That at least I can recommend. If you are good in writing, you can be a tech writer. People are earning thousands. I have a friend. He's working with Quora TV, to be precise, but he's into article writing for tech companies as well. He's on Upwork. We are friends. We talk every day, almost every day. You're me, or you call me Johnson?
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
I just want to I'm going to the WhatsApp group. Few of us here. I don't know if you can join. As of we are going to come up to interact and relate on going forward about this training. Few of us already live in that group. If you are interested, please, I don't know.
Joining is free. Everything is free. Other centers, you can create WhatsApp group as well. Add that very number into that group. Then
Then
if you ask me anything, if I don't respond immediately, just know that I'm working on something or not available. I will, at my own time, attend to your questions. Please. Thank you. Let me stop sharing.
I think we should allow him to rest. He has discussed so much.
You're
Please, let's
welcome.
put our hands together for our dear speaker and brother. He has really done much more than we can ever ask. Thank you very, very, very much.